Madam, where are you going? I hope you're not going to that your foolish, useless boyfriend's house. Mom, no put bank in there.
Mama, calm down now. How can you be insulting one person like that? Only one person is stupid, one person foolish. You're supposed to be concerned about my happiness. I'm not calling the young man names.
Amaka, it's a happiness.
Yes.
Have you tested real happiness before? For you to call this nonsense you are involved in happiness? Amaka, you're special. You have a bright star. And everything has been aligned to work in your favor for you to ruin your life with this miserable fool, all in the name of love. That wasted effort, wasted love.
Mama, when somebody hears you talking now, they'll think you're talking about somebody that, maybe an arm robber or useless fellow.
What is the difference?
He is hardworking. He is caring, Mama. He's a nice person, and I'm going to stand by him till the end.
So I'm robber, bro. Other work hard. All this you're talking about, to the detriment of your own dream, your big dream, your mighty dreams. Wake up, Amaka. Wake up. Your star is shining so bright, and you've been blessed by the deities. It is high time you realize that your star is too great for you to waste your time making this idiot a part of your life. And what are you?
No, you just have high blood pressure unnecessarily.
But I'm telling you the truth.
Yes, see the way you are dragging on your vein. You are just as if you want to. Mama, calm down. This is you're talking about. Now, human being in Bill. Take it easy. I just hope one day you learn to respect him. Mama, I love you and I'm going to stand by him whether you like it or not.
Because every type of the body, part of the body when the engine, he has carried the engine of your heart. He knows here. For you to say I should respect that one man's shit.
Mama, I'm not going to have this discussion with you again because I'm going. Take it easy.
Where are you going to see him now? Does he have a house?
We'll meet under the tree.
Hey! Wamana. Hey! Njinobi wamana.
How embarrassing. Why is it that you grown up allow me to treat you like toddlers? What are you fighting for?
I am sorry, Your Majesty. It's not my fault, it's always her fault, eh? She likes to go after everything that I consider to be mine. Why you dey pursue my thing now? Why are you going after my property? What is your problem?
Hey!
I thought she will continue to do until I react. When I now react, it not look like we are fighting. Am I fighting with you?
Hey! My queen. I did not take anything that belongs to her. Who says it's your own?
It's my property.
Hey. I don't take anything that belongs to her. Shut up! Shut up! Else I will be forced to have you flogged and locked up in a dark room. What is your problem?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
What is it that you local urchins, you nitwits, stupid maidens consider to be yours? My son? My golden son? One of the princes of this kingdom. This is the height of disillusion. What nonsense! Have you both lost it? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Are you shameless? What nonsense!
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Sorry, ma. I will not have any of you bring shame to this palace. Next time you try this, I will make sure you are kicked out of this palace. Not only this palace, but this kingdom.
Your Hand, I'm sorry.
Will you get out of my face? Get out!
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Move for road.
Look at them. Butterflies that think themselves birds.
You like it?
This really tastes nice. Hi, bro. Look at me now. I'm not even married to you yet, but look at I'm getting fat already.
That is what you get for dating a very good cook, one who loves to cook, one who is blessed by the gods, and one who cooks from her heart for the one she loves.
Come and hug me. Come and hug me, my baby. You know, we're so lucky. I'm one of the best palm wine tapper in town. And you're also a great cook. Obi, I think we're blessed. In short, we're a power couple beside the king and the queen.
You can say that again.
Obi, I'm so happy, like seriously.
Ruin them. Just eat them.
This food is nice.
Thank you.
Obi, and also, you know, I thought about something. I thought of going to the palace to advertise my palm wine. You know, I have very fresh and nice palm wine.
Okay.
I was thinking if I go to the palace, they could make me just sole supplier. So I can supply to the royal house.
You cannot be saying this small. You are supposed to hold megaphone and be announcing it.
It's a good idea.
Do you know who you are?
Hey!
See, you will surely succeed. They will love your palm wine. They will love you. Then me now, I'll not start bragging. That is my man.
Yes, now.
Man, oh.
Hey, Asa.
My something. My best palm wine tapper.
Yes, oh.
You see my shoulder and I'll put 100 shoulder pad. This is how I'll be working.
Assam. Hey! Assam.
Your Majesty. Prince Nonso, sometimes you baffle me. I wonder if you and Chima are truly twins because you people do not behave alike. What is it?
Father, why are you sounding like it's a very bad thing?
It is, my son. It is a very bad thing because I cannot tolerate your indecent behavior with the maidens in this kingdom. It's getting out of hand, son.
Father, I am a man with needs. A young, hot-blooded male.
Maybe I exercise a better self-respect. I'm not as hot-blooded as my brother also.
Do not try to patronize this. Your brother is a prince and he should be able to comport himself like a prince he is. Comport yourself is not a crime.
Your Majesty, being a prince does not mean that I'm not a woman with needs. I am trying.
You are not trying hard enough, son.
Mother.
But it's okay. It's fine. Your Majesty, I think the best thing we should do here is to get a wife for him in recognition to suit his status, young and hot-blooded. That wife, that woman, will cool down the fire burning inside of him.
Well done, class. Good. Bravo. I think that is an everlasting antidote. Yes. The onus now falls on you and the kingmakers to get a befitting maiden in this kingdom that can stand the title of a future queen. Yes, then the hot blood will be quenched. Prince Hot Blood. Hot blood, Prince.
Hot-blooded.
These children will not kill me.
Are you sure, Your Highness? I mean, do you think I am someone they will approve of?
Absolutely. I find you attractive and worthy. I'm sure His Majesty and Her Majesty will find you captivating.
Wow. So, this is happening for real? Tell me.
Finally. It's either now or never. And we have to be fast because His Majesty and Her Majesty have plans for me and my brother. So if we don't act fast, they won't take me seriously.
Wow. Honey, that means I'm going to be of my best behavior. So, I don't disappoint you.
No, you don't need to. All I want you to do is be you. You don't disappoint at being you.
Ah. Thank you so much, My Majesty.
What are you doing here? What is it? Speak.
How come you didn't say anything to His Majesty and Her Majesty about giving you a bride?
What do you expect me to say to them exactly?
That you have somebody you want to spend the rest of your life with.
Oh, really, I do? How come I found someone and I'm not even aware of it?
Prince Nonso, are you playing with me? Like, am I a joke to you? I am here, like, can't you see me? You say you love me, you want to spend the rest of your life with me. You say I make you happy, that you love me, that you want us to be together. Who else is better suited to be your bride rather than me? Why not present me to your parents?
Tara, I need you to calm down. This matter is extremely complicated. I've caused my parents so much trouble because of my princely ways. And I'm not about to add to the headache by declaring one of the palace maid as bride-to-be. I can't do that.
Please don't show this. You said that I make you happy, like, that I complete you, that you want me, that you love me, you want to spend the rest of your life with me, right? You're not going to kick me out of your life. Are you going to kick me? Tell me, you're not kicking me.
Tara, please, just calm down, okay? You see, you're a very smart girl.
No.
You are not just ambitious, but you're smart. And I believe that you can read the lines between this conversation and know what the message truly is. What is it? I was hoping I could have some time to myself alone.
My prince. Why are you angry with me? I mean, you used to be happy whenever I come into this room. And now you're acting like I'm bothering you. Why?
Oh, please. I believe you're here to say something. Please be specific about it. I need to have some quiet time for myself.
Okay. What is this that I heard? That the king has commanded a search for a bride for you? How?
Why do you sound so shocked about it? I am a prince, and my marriage should be a royal arrangement.
Come on, Nonso. Not when you have told them you have somebody in mind. You have a sweet bride for yourself that you want to get married to.
Do I? Really? Who is that?
Come on. I mean, you just have to stop playing. Stop it. Do you even have to ask me that? Listen, Nonso, you know that nobody does it better to you than I do. You know I love you and you always attest to it that I am so sweet. What is it that a man wants? If not a woman that can satisfy him on bed. Come on, my prince.
You know I have all the quality to make you happy. Eh? You just see, okay, listen. Just tell His Majesty that now you have found a bride. A sweet one at that can, that you want to spend the rest of your life with, my prince. You don't have to do this to me, okay?
Please, can you just stop? I have disrespected my parents enough, and I cannot go against the wish of the king, my father.
No, so.
Listen to me. I'm sorry. But nothing can happen between the both of us.
Why? No, so I don't understand what you're saying. I am the perfect bride for you, and you know. Okay, I know. I didn't give it to you well the last time. Now get on to
Stop! I believe you're a smart girl. You figure these things out. Please, I need to be left alone.
My prince, let me just give you one last time so you will confirm me. You will confirm that I'm so sweet. Okay.
God!
My prince.
Don't let me do something.
You don't have to do. I see. I'm not going to take this. Honestly, I will not. You told me you love me. I mean, you said you're going to marry me, and all the time I come here to make you happy. Why are you saying this?
You will figure that out.
My prince, I will not take this. Honestly, I will not. You must marry me because I will not take this. I will never forgive him. I will never forgive him. I will not. I don't go forgive her. I will not forgive him. I can't take this. Not because I'm a cook in this palace. I will not take this. I won't forgive him. For what?
Why are both of you crying?
My prince.
Your Highness. Please, help me to judge this matter. Please, just take a good look at me. Look at me very well. How do I look? Just tell me. Don't I look good enough? I mean, why will he reject me? Why? Am I not okay? Am I not looking cute? Just judge this matter, please.
My prince, he had a goodbye sex with me. He had a goodbye sex with me, yes. He knocked me here. For what? And after everything, he just went so cold like we had nothing. For what? The painful part is that he made sure he entered everywhere. He touched the innermost part. And now he's acting like he didn't know me. I'm feeling used though. He used me and I will not let it happen.
But you're not a victim. I mean, the both of you knows that Nonso was never serious with you. Well, you played along because you have your schemes going on. So acting the victim now, that says less of you. We have visitors coming to the palace, so I advise we keep it quiet.
Yeah, I'm not going. I will sit down. Everybody that enter here will see me. Anybody that enter this palace, they must see me here.
I will not take this one. It's not possible. I will not take this.
I'm not doing it. I will sit
I
down
will
here.
not take this. Never.
You won't leave me.
Babe, promise me no matter what happens, you'll still be mine.
You know we shouldn't even be talking about this.
My heart beats for you and you know it. You're the only man I love. The only one I want to spend the rest of my life with. I'm even scared that you might wake up one day and say you do not love me anymore. I want you to promise me that you will never leave me too.
Obi, I will never leave you. I can't even imagine my life without you. Obi, I'm a dead man if you're not in my life. I want you for the rest of my life. Obi, please. Obi. I want to be with you forever, and I'm very sure. Sorry. Sorry, William. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, you got yourself there, we'll put it together. Sorry. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay, William. It's fine. It's okay.
Together forever.
I love you so much.
And I love you too.
It's okay.
I've missed you so much.
Wow. Chima, look at the way you're holding her hands like someone wants to stay her away from you.
So, we know who the bad guy is in this palace, no? So,
You didn't tell her that, did you? Oh, come on, you don't have to listen to anything that he says. I'm a loyal brother to him, and I will not do anything that will have him worried.
I don't see it that way, Your Highness. I understand.
Do you have a friend who is single and as pretty as you are? You know, I feel jealous looking at the way your hands are intertwined with mine.
Okay. So let me tell you something. Let me be clear with you. I will not trust my brother with women. So I suggest you do the same.
Really?
Don't trust him around your friends.
You just say that.
Okay.
I'm a changed man. Yes, change is the only constant thing in life. Which you don't think so?
I believe you, Your Majesty.
So why would you say that?
Hey, you said that the last time.
We're talking about the present.
Changes they call.
Now I'm trying to get me.
That's your. No, I don't know. It's on you, but
Uche, you promise?
Yes.
I have.
Yes.
If whatever happens, I'm not in it. Whatever happens, nobody should call my name because I know him.
Nothing is good.
Mama. I promised before and I saw you sitting here. Is everything okay? Since you got back from the palace, you've been seated here all moody. Did your visit go well in the palace?
I don't know if I'm doing the right thing with you. I don't know if I'm doing enough to position you. Enough for you to access and achieve your dreams.
Mama, can you just say what I will understand? You haven't said anything. What exactly are you talking about?
Immediately I conceived you, I knew you were special. Hoping that the conditions surrounding your birth, your background, will not stop you or hinder you from achieving your dreams.
These dreams are mine, like you just said. But you're sounding like it's your own dream. Mama, can you break this down, make me understand? Because I still don't get anything.
What I'm saying is, am I doing enough?
to position you? Am I doing enough for you to be on the right track? To stay away from this fellow so that you be the exact woman the deities have destined you to be?
This exact woman or this position you are talking about, where is it exactly?
You will know when the time comes. I just hope I'm not moving too slow. But I just hope it will not be late by then.
Yes. Yes, my king. Okay. Talk to you later. I love you. My kiss.
That's the prince.
Yes.
Hey!
You know he has a twin brother.
My sister. You never tell me since. Look your girl now. What is this so?
You're my girl now. Don't worry. Actually, one of the prince was asking me the other time that I should introduce him to my friend.
You forget my name.
Do you want to meet him?
I don't understand. What kind of talk with that? Babe, hook me up. I didn't
Babe, I heard that he's a womanizer. He never keeps woman for long.
That one no concern
You want
you.
him?
That one no concern you. See, now me be keeper. You don't understand? See that my last relationship, now me say I no dey do again. Man no dey dump me. Now me dey dump men.
Really?
Carry me go there finish. At least we dem plant me for one corner. Man just be one flower for there. Anyway,
I trust you. You're my girl now.
Thank you. Thank you. No be joke. You go introduce me to another.
No, I'm going to introduce you to him. The next time I'm going to the palace, you are going with me. I can't wait for me.
This palm wine tastes good. It tastes like one man's, what's his name again? Mweke. That's the only man his palm wine has such a natural taste. Everlasting natural taste, undiluted and unrefined. Do you work with him?
Your Majesty, Mweke was my father. He died years ago, and I'm his only son.
That man is a gifted man. And he used the gift that God gave to him. He harnessed it and used it judiciously. He's the only man that I can drink his palm wine anytime, any day with no complaints. Sorry for the loss, my dear.
It's a great honor to me that His Majesty remembers my father for his exceptional abilities. I'm so grateful.
Your father is a good man, a man that can never be forgotten. And I'm very, very happy that he begets a good son like you that do not want the father's business to die. I thank our ancestors for sending back that gift to you, allowing your father's achievements not to decay. You're welcome, my son. Just be rest assured that this same good palm wine is allowed in my royal home anytime, any day.
Your Majesty, are you saying that I will be supplying this royal home with palm wine?
Please. My dear, you have my permission. Anytime, any day, this undiluted and refined palm wine, any day, my son.
Your Majesty, I'm so grateful, Your Majesty. Thank you so much, Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
I don't know how to thank you enough, Your Majesty. Thank you so much.
It tastes good.
Thank you so much. You don't know what it means to me. I'm so grateful.
all this meat. And you even brought juice.
Yes, so my love. Obim, eat, okay? Don't be scared to eat.
What are we celebrating?
Obim, you are looking at the official palm wine supplier of the palace.
I see. Wait, Chichiriguru, you got the job.
Obim, I got the job now.
Shut up your mouth.
Obim, I'm in business. Obim, I'm serious now.
How did it happen?
Obim, why are you surprised now, Obim? You know I'm one of the best in this town when it comes to palm wine. Obim, you should know now. And I also have you by my side. I'm the luckiest man.
Congratulations. I'm so happy
much
for you.
Obim, you're happy for us. Obim, my win is your win, Obim. You know, I can't do anything without you now.
See, whining.
Obim, I'm not whining.
You dey whine.
Obim, I'm not whining.
You dey whine.
Obim, eat, please.
Chimo. Hey!
Obim, you know, I can't wait for us to be husband and wife. I can't wait anymore.
I come with you.
Yes.
Anytime you want something, you buy me business.
Oh God, Obim, Alex, seriously, so everything just went smoothly, Obim.
This is plenty.
This is a big win for us, Obim. Open this. Let's pop. This calls for a big celebration.
Today is not palm wine celebration.
No, Obim.
It's just
we've upgraded.
It's sweet like you.
So, Your Highness, you know the last time you were telling me that I should introduce you to one of my friends.
Yes, I do.
The only person I could think of is my best friend. Choma, meet His Royal Highness, Prince Nonso.
It's my pleasure.
Your Highness, my friend.
It's nice meeting you.
It's my pleasure meeting with you too, pretty damsel. I must say that you look extremely sophisticated and beautiful.
Ah,
it's my pleasure. Thank you so much, Your Highness.
Oh, you're welcome. I would like to spend some time getting to know more about you. I hope you don't mind.
I don't mind, Your Highness.
Good. Okay, Your Highness, I have to excuse myself. Go in search of my love, Chima.
Yeah. Chima should be inside.
You both should catch up.
So, I hope you don't mind if I join you here, right? I must say that your beauty renders me speechless. I don't even know where to start from. But then, you're my spec. I mean, you're everything and more that I ever look at for in a woman.
Thank you.
So beautiful. So what would you like to drink?
Right on time.
Prince. Good. So please open it for our guest.
Okay. It's a show, please.
Ow!
Sorry.
Ouch! Ow! Ouch! Ow! Flies. Flies there. Hey, fly.
Is there a problem?
Yes.
There is a problem.
There's a problem.
Yes, a huge problem.
Big one.
Please, what is it? Say it. Say what you want to say.
What's the meaning of this?
You don't have mouth. Can't you talk?
What's the meaning of this drama here?
I perish. Let me just say it. See, let me tell you. This our prince is a woman rapper. He is not capable of loving anybody but himself. If I were you, I would take to my heels right now. He will use you and dump you. In fact, you are his next victim.
You see, you are too pretty for him to use you and dump you. Eh?
I'm telling you the truth.
Enough!
So, Tara, Ebere, you both have the nerve to slander your prince before his guest?
You don't know what you are. Is that not what you are? You better leave this palace.
Fine, Paris, let me go.
You are still seated there. You don't want to leave.
You will not leave unpunished. I promise you that. And get out! Can you imagine? Come on, don't listen to them.
Your Majesty.
My queen.
I'm very happy. It's a good thing that Nonso does not break the hearts of the maidens anymore. He's not focused and concentrated on a lady, which is a good one.
I can see that too. By my judgment, Chima is doing a lot of job on him. He's of a great influence too, Nonso. I think I'm happy with this development.
Yes, me too. Having women by their side means that we could be having a royal wedding very soon.
Chima, yes. But for Nonso, I think it's going to take him decades to drop his wayward ways. But for Chima, yes.
Your Majesty, we have to be positive. We have to be positive about him. We need to show him that we appreciate his efforts trying to be a good person. We need to support him, encourage him. Who knows? It might be the miracle we've been praying for where he is concerned.
Her Excellency, I concur.
I'm not joking.
I'm not joking too.
Sorry. You are the cause of this thing for yourself, eh? Palace Apuna, you will not keep your leg one place.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Where's the snacks I requested for?
Bring guest, please. I will have to bake it first, and I'm not feeling fine.
No, just hold on. You're pretending so you will not bake it. Is that what you're doing?
No.
Do I have a problem?
No, Your Grace, honestly, she is not pretending. If you look at her very well, you will see she's not feeling fine. Look at her, she's not feeling fine. And I know the cause of her illness. It is love. Love sickness.
But you should take it out of the palace.
No, she fell in love with the prince. Yes, the prince was equally in love with her. But I don't know what happened though. Eh? Now the prince is pretending like he didn't have anything to do with her. The next thing you came along, she saw you lying so comfortably on the prince's arm. Her heart is shattered. I don't blame her. Just put yourself in her shoe. You understand what I'm trying to say.
Now this is exactly what you get when you sleep around. When you cannot close your legs and put yourself together. Is this what you do here?
No.
Okay. You will go and bake that snacks now, or you will leave this palace right now.
Shut up and get out!
I
think I'm easy now. This girl, now woman she be. Eh? The prince broke her heart. What be her fault?
Palace guest, can you leave the prince for me?
No verse. This girl.
Sleeping with the prince?
She's one of a kind, endowed by the God.
I've really missed your food. And this one is really enjoyable. We enjoyed it. Thank you so much for coming to the rescue of the royal home in such a short notice.
Your Majesty, you don't need to thank me. But I should be the one to thank you because it's a great honor to serve whenever you call me. Your Majesty, I am fine today. I am healthy. I am hearty. It's all because of your benevolence towards me and my family in the past. So, cooking is the least I can do to show how grateful I am. You have always been there for me. Thank you very much.
I appreciate that. Our cook, Tara, she fell sick and had to leave the palace. And you, I know you are retired because of your fragile condition, health condition. And I cannot ask you to take the position. Please, Can you recommend someone who can cook for us?
Yes. I know of someone that has great passion for cooking, and she's exceptional at it. She enjoys cooking, she likes cooking.
Wow. We have someone like that in our kingdom?
Who is she? She's my daughter, Amaka. She would love to cook for the royal home. I have taught her all the skills. I bettered her. So everything I do, she has been seeing me do it. I believe she even do better than I did.
Mama, good you are back. What took you so long? Do you know I was almost coming to search for you?
Sit down, I have good news for you. Rani. Hey! Hey!
Good news.
You will be cooking for the royal family. The Igwe has decided to make you his new cook. So starting tomorrow, you go to the royal house and start cooking there. Is it not good news?
Did you drink beer? No, I want to ask because what you just said now sounds like a joke to me. Do what?
Cook for them.
Mama, how can you? Wait, I hope you did not agree with this exciting news like you say it is. I hope you didn't say yes.
What are you afraid of?
Mama, it's not being afraid. I only cook for fun. I enjoy playing with recipe, not to go and cook for... Mama, do you mean?
Even as you play with recipe, the food is still very tasty and nice. What are you afraid of? Is it not my brave girl that used to go into the bush, get animals, even snakes, get leaves, something to do experimental cooking? Why are you afraid?
When I go into the bush and to get animal, to get snake, if they run, at least my life is safe. Yes, nobody is killing me inside the bush. Do you know what you're sending me to do? You've just asked them to put the king's stomach on my hands.
His mouth, not the stomach. Are you cooking the stomach?
The food will digest in this. Mama,
it's not the mouth. We use to eat it first and taste the good food. Why are you afraid? It's better for you to cook in the palace. Where is the best idea? Where they have good things, good ingredients for you to create new recipe, new food, and in fact, this is the plans of the gods. This is the will of the gods.
The plans of the gods. Nga, it's prison I'm smelling like this because I know trouble must come out from this.
No! Mama, why are you putting bad luck into the whole thing?
Okay, I've heard you.
To be a chef in the palace, of big honor. Be a cook. Do you know when I was cooking, the people were respecting me in this village? Do you know all these ones that are talking to me anyhow? It's because I have left the palace. That time, anybody that talks anyhow to me, you will just go and talk on my behalf. It's good. At least I'll separate you from that fellow, that idiot. You may focus. So they can have
Mama, it's okay. It's okay, please.
She's one of a kind, endowed by the gods, gifts to make him man not happy.
Amaka, cheer up now. In Agami, is it war? The royals do not bite. In fact, they are the most kind people I've had the privilege to meet in my entire life. All you need to do is be confident in yourself. Cook. You've been posting a good cook. Oh no.
Army without gun. Which confidence is that person supposed to have? Mama, this one is more than war. I'm telling you. Oh, okay, now let me ask you. What if they don't like my food? Is it because you eat my food and you think it's tasty? Would you be disappointed if they tell you something else?
Apart from my own food I cook, yours is one good food I always enjoy eating. You cook so well. It's an exceptional meal you make.
Mama, the way you wash me, you can wash somebody.
I am not washing you. I'm telling you the truth.
It's not the truth. You're just telling me this to ease me or to put me at ease.
No. See, you are an exceptional cook. You are a wonderful person. Have a little confidence in yourself. Why are you dragging your leg like that? See how you're fine? See how you cook well? It makes you a perfect woman. Don't always forget to come and carry your herbs. You know the cops, they are the ones helping you. When you come back, carry your herbs. Even if it's only crayfish you put in the food, it will be tasty. It will be sweet and delicious. and the king.
I have to say you put this energy the time when you day young. You for be minister.
You know, drag see. Have a little confidence. Trust in your ability.
Mama, I've heard you, no problem.
She's so a wife material, no.
I really don't know if this is supposed to be good news or bad news. But as you know, I need to go to the palace to work for them as a chef.
And you agreed to that?
My mother wants me to. The queen commanded, and you know I can't say no. I'm doing it on my mother's behalf.
Obim, I know you're a filial daughter, but I worry about your chastity. One of the princes is known to be a notorious flirt, a humanizer. What if he makes advances on you?
You seem to have forgotten me. Is it because I've calmed down? You know I've started to blow people for this week. Now because I don't calm down, you don't need to worry about me. Moreover, I prepared a very hot pepper spray. If he dare passes his boundaries, you go hear I'm hot. Calm down.
Obim, this person we are talking about is a prince. How do you hurt him and go scot-free? Is it possible?
Listen, I am a daughter of this land. A daughter of my mother. My virtues and honors are meant to be respected. There is no way he would do anything. Listen, don't worry. I will be fine. Oh?
Obim, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all, to be honest. I'm really concerned about you and your safety. I know that pain.
Just say you will miss me. Which one is safety?
Even if I will miss you, but I don't want anybody to make advances.
Nobody will.
I know that guy. He likes.
Nobody. It's okay.
Obim.
Your Majesties and Your Royal Highness, my name is Amaka Ogu, the daughter of Amaka, Ami for short. I am here to be your new cook.
You are welcome. Your mother spoke highly of you, and I hope you will not fall short her high recommendations on the standards the royal home expects from you.
You didn't whine? Okay. My mama no tell you. They cook wetin no good though. I don't cook give our neighbor before I pursue your wife come out. Anything we concern food, call me in. I dey cook wetin no good. I too sabi cook. Intercontinental, local dish, anyone wey you want, I dey there. Except say no be food you want chop, but if na food, I dey cook wetin. See, I dey cook wetin. In fact, as you dey see me, I'm spiritually connected to food. I feel they sleep like this now. Our deity dey appear give me. He go tell me tomorrow when you want to put tomatoes. By the time I don't combine this food finish, he go fit chop pursue you come out for house. Okay. Sorry, na mistake. I just want to tell you how my level of cooking dey.
You dey cook wetin no good.
Madam, my side dey cook wetin no. Okay, sorry.
And my husband will chase me away.
Whose daughter do you say you are?
Amaka Ugo. Yes, sir. Yes, Your Highness.
I mean, this palace will be more fun now that also he's on a break.
I was never busy, Chima. You know what? Come out. We need to fight for uncertainty of the cook's conversation.
I had a minute away.
She's one of a kind.
That's big.
Endowed by the gods, gifts to make him man no happy. Yeah, her recipes are one of a kind. She know the things that will make the belly happy. She's a wonderful woman.
Greetings, royal guest. You sent for me. Yes. Please, these are the things I eat. Prepare it the way it is in the list. Thank you. You can go.
Sorry to ask.
This list, is it different from the one the queen has in the kitchen? Because there's a timetable for food in the kitchen. And the queen says everybody eats together. Am I supposed to make your food differently?
Are you questioning me? I am going to be the future queen of this kingdom. Respect yourself. You can leave.
Okay. Mommy.
Choma, what is it? What is this that I heard? That you gave out your food list? What are you thinking? How? I don't understand. You don't understand? That was too authoritative, you know? I don't understand what you're saying. Listen, have you forgotten that we are premium guests? Yes. In this palace? Then we should act like one.
Is this all about assessing premium treatment? Is this? Have you forgotten while we are here in this palace? But you don't do that with other maidens. Why do you do it with her?
It's okay. Yes, I know. I just have something very funny. Like, I have this weird feeling about this maid. I think this girl is doing something that I don't know. I just can't place my hands on something. Did you see the day she was introduced? You see how she was acting? That girl is doing something I don't know. Better watch it. I mean, how else am I supposed to pass my message to her? That's the only way I can pass my message, that I am going to be the future queen. I mean, she's just a maid.
Wow, I feel you, and I understand everything you just said now. It's just that I don't want them to see us bullying royal maids.
Hey, I'm not bullying anybody.
Not while we are still royal guests. I just want us to keep low-key life until we achieve our aim of becoming flowers in this palace.
Okay, but while at it, I must not be stupid. I am going to put that maid in her place. That's where she belongs. I am going to be a queen in this palace very soon. I don't know about you, but that maid...
You know about me?
Yes, I'm sure about myself.
Amaka, how you doing now?
I didn't get myself.
Well, I can see you have finally met with the palace Cruella.
Oh. You mean the royal guests?
Chioma, you see that girl? I hate that girl so much with everything inside of me. That girl is a snake. If you see what she did to the former queen in this palace, when she found out that that girl was sleeping with the prince, she made this palace hell for her. The poor girl could no longer take the heat. She had to leave. Oh.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Anachero, how sick was she?
Are you worrying about somebody that is no longer under fire? Tara is living her life and I'm sure she's doing very well. I am telling you because you are her next target. You have to be careful. Be careful of that girl because she noticed you have eyes for the prince. Yes, your eye day where prince day. You have to be careful because what is she go do you? You never like. Honestly, the prince does not deserve a girl like Chioma. She deserves someone better.
Who be the someone? No, I'm asking now. Who is the someone better?
I know.
No, you now. Because as they see you, even if they are way on top of your mouth, they rise as you they talk. Your nose, everything they stand. Your eyelash they blink. Now you be the one, the someone.
Come. Wait, you be like saying a trouble you carry come here. If you carry trouble come, I go give you fire.
I am the war. I am the liquid metal.
Now so you be.
I go give you cha cha cha.
I go show you.
Who you want show?
I go show you.
Who you want show?
Listen, you have to be careful of those palace guests because they are the cruel flowers in this palace.
Newscaster.
Watch your back.
Newscaster. Rufai or Semi. Now you get all the news waiting for this palace.
You know how. I know your
Newscaster.
I know your time.
Auntie, carry your leg.
You know how people they give you information.
Yeah, they go now.
Watch your back because you be next target.
They see you now. I hope say this sense where you get, not be the sense where you take the cross road. Make motor no kill you for road that you dey cross. See two left leg, keep them like two dead nuts. No sense. They my own carry a proko conjuring. I no go leave person make person guess for this palace.
This is beautiful. So sweet.
Yeah, it's very nice. Just like your mom said that you're a great cook, an exceptional one for that matter.
I'm glad you like it. And I'm glad it suits your taste. But thank you. Thank you, Your Highnesses.
If I'm to be honest here, I must say that she's a good cook and good looking too. Just complimenting her, no hidden agenda.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. Your Highnesses, I made something very special. I made this juice directly from the mouth of the gods. I was sleeping yesterday when they told me to make this. It is not only medicinal, it is very, very healthy and it is nice. It will boost your immune system, in fact.
I've never trusted your source of inspiration. I'm not about to risk my health trying that.
Amaka.
Your Highness.
You've been a wonderful cook. You're wonderful. I like you so much. But my family, we are not too good in experimentals, especially to things we don't understand. This one is strange. It's strange. Drop it.
I trust Amaka. And I would like to have a taste of that juice.
No, honey. Please, don't drink it. Because you don't know what she used in mixing it. Please, honey. Don't do this. Don't try it.
Okay, my house, remember?
No.
Don't do your fast. You need to talk. You need to talk. Now you don't need this juice. Please give her a
God
glass.
forbid bad thing. I will never take anything from you.
I said I want to try it.
No. Don't try it. Please.
Hey.
Allow him to
Allow him.
taste it.
Sorry. Your Highness, you will like it. Eh?
I think that should be okay.
That's okay. Thank you very much.
Taste that. That cup. You, with a dark cup. Now you need a pass. You need height.
I need what?
Height.
I will not take anything from you. Take it from me.
You need to try it. It tastes really good.
No, honey.
I think you guys should try it for real. Yeah.
Very good.
I told you people. I can't talk about it.
I'm sorry.
Even you need it too.
I like it.
Uche, I feel very, I don't know, I feel a kind of way about that girl, that Amaka girl. I have a feeling she's been planted in the palace. I don't know, I just have a weird feeling about her.
I feel no threat anyways. Yeah.
Okay, I'm not saying you should be threatened, but at the same time, you should be threatened. Because the attention that your man gave to her, I mean, it's alarming. You didn't notice it?
So why should I? My man is not the one with long history of womanizing. Your man also is. Honestly, I feel no threats.
Okay, at least my man will not risk his life just because of Amaka. Read in between the lines. You didn't notice it. You didn't see the attention. You were not watching.
Well, Chima is a very nice person. He's a good guy. He likes to make people happy. He feels for people. Yes, that is one of the qualities that made me to fall for him.
Okay, and you think I'm talking about charity moves here? Don't be a fool. Don't be stupid. You didn't see what happened there. You better be smart and read in between the lines.
Choma, what are you trying to say?
I'm just saying don't be stupid. Just open your eyes and...
Madam, that's wonderful. You just raised a good and a resourceful daughter all by yourself. That is commendable. That's a good one.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. This compliment means the world to me. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Your daughter, like you said, is an exceptional cook. But you forgot to add the fact that she is funny too. She is always preparing strange meals, crediting her ideas to the deities. It's funny to listen to.
I don't know why Amaka is like that. She's my child. Please, I plead with you people to always tolerate her. She's indeed a special child.
I can see that. Mama Amaka, you know you were my chief chef and a trusted cook. You are just like a friend to me. Your daughter is in safe hands under my watch. You have nothing to worry about.
Oh, thank you very much, my queen. I can sleep with my eyes properly closed. With all your assurances. Thank you very much. Please let me not take your time. I shall be on my way now.
It's alright.
I'll see you.
Just be rest assured that your daughter is in a safe hand. Alright?
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
And I sleep with my eyes closed when I remember your assurances. Thank you very much.
You can even slumber.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
It's alright.
She's one of a kind, endowed by the gods, gifts to make him and no happy. Yeah, her recipes are one of a kind.
I'm like,
What's going on? She's a wonderful woman. Amaka, Amaka. A special woman, Amaka, choice of every man.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Can you please make me that weird looking tea you made the last time? I haven't slept so light like I did the last time I had it. Can you please do that for me?
Your wish is my command. Anything you want.
Really? Is the juice that nice? Maybe I should just close my eyes and give it a taste too.
Just an early test you want this. This one don't be like long throat too. Don't mind me, I was just joking. It's not a problem. I'll make one for you too. And I'm sure by the time you have it, you always want me to make it.
Oh, in that case, you'll be serving 2 cups. One for me and one for my brother. He's my twin and we share similar tastes. So if you like it, definitely I would like it too.
I'll get to it immediately.
Good.
What's up with this juice thing?
Yeah, you will like it.
I will like it, yeah, you will. You're a finished man.
She's even sleeping. Look at her. I guess the juice you're preparing in the kitchen is for our men. You must really feel excited when they compliment you, right?
It must be a dream come true for her that the prince is finding you interesting. She's not even funny anyway. Look at her.
I just want you two to understand that I'm here to work. And that is exactly what I am doing. I am good at it does not mean I'm trying to stir up problems. So please, you two should leave me alone. Good at what exactly? Mind you, I just want to know what you're good at. Oh, because they compliment you. Please do not let that get into your head.
And that's a big mistake, which will cost you a lot. Well, we are here to remind you to stay in your lane. Do not allow the praises, the royals, showers on your empty skull to get into you. Do you hear me?
Before I forget, please. I do not want you anywhere around my man. I don't trust myself. I don't even know what I'll do to you. I'm not threatening you. I'm just warning you.
You don't have to do that. She's just a chef, a commoner.
Okay.
She can't do anything.
No, don't finish. Or you close your armpit. Auntie, close your armpit. When you go open armpit for here, put for my nose, I say I take inside the fire freshener. Eh? If not be long throat where they worry, why you go carry material where they go take sew for 10 people, 1,000 yards, only use and sew 1,000. Long throat from beginning to end go drag, you see drag material for trouser. Eh? You, now this your eyelash, see, I go drag 2 of them come out.
I don't blame you. Stay in your lane, stay in your lane.
Come on, they come! See that, Orozco?
She's one of a kind, endowed by the gods, gifts to make him and no happy. Yeah, her recipes are one of a kind. She know the things that will make the belly happy. She's a
Greetings.
wonderful
Greetings, my friends.
a special woman. Choice of every man. Material.
Should I?
Yes, please go ahead.
Intimidative nature. Other girls they jealousy. Better talented from the girl. She carry a more. She is one of a kind. A beautiful soul. She's so humble. A wife material. Yo.
Enjoy yourselves, ma'am.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourselves.
This tastes good though.
So, which of you will become the next king? The older one?
What? Chima is just older than me by 2 seconds. How can that count as seniority?
I mean, you never accepted that I smelled and felt the breeze of life before you.
Oh, come on, brother. You're just 2 seconds older than me. And I'm sure that your sense have not even registered anything yet before I came out. Now, back to your question. Any one of us can be the next king of this kingdom. Or have no subjection or objection to whatever.
So, both of you are interested in the throne and doesn't mind if anyone gets it, right?
Exactly. If my brother also becomes the king, I'll support his reign and make sure he reigns successfully.
Really?
That's what brothers do.
And I feel same too. Any of us can be the next king of this kingdom and be guaranteed the support of his brother. Yes.
Okay.
The way I dislike that one-room apartment right now. See the way I'm so comfortable in this palace. I'm never going back there.
That room annoys me. Like how? This is why I brought you here. Because what I want to talk about requires a little privacy.
Okay. I'm listening.
Choma, I heard the queen and the king talking about my Chima. They were praising him, talking highly of him. The way I'm saying things, I think they may consider him as the better option for heir apparent to the throne.
Chima.
My Chima.
Anyway, Chima has always been spotless, you know. And Nonso. But did you notice since I came, Nonso has changed? He's becoming a very good man. You didn't notice it?
My dear, don't trust anybody. No one can change.
No one can change. What about you? You had a terrible life. Yes. So you think you can be fit like you want to be the queen here?
Choma, I am a changed person. And that is why I am here. Because I want to be the flower in the palace.
But you just said nobody can change. So how come you can change and nobody can change?
I am talking about me. I changed because I want to be the flower in the palace.
Don't deceive yourself. You have lived a very terrible life, you know. You know. And you're not worthy to be queen in this palace. You know, go school.
You know, go. Tasted in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands. That can be classified as true love. True love, as true love. The kind of love that can swim the ocean to save a lover. The kind of love I call true love. I call true love. That's what I feel for you, my queen. It's true love. That's what I feel for you, my love. It's true love. I'll never leave your side, no matter what. It's true love. And I'll be holding your hands till the end. True love is sacrifice. True love love is tested in fire. A heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands. That can be classified as true love. True love, as true love.
I've never seen anyone as interesting as her. There's something about her, it's just so exciting. In a weird way, I must say.
How is it that a busy prince, a crown prince, found time to study the actions of an ordinary cook? Isn't that weird?
You know, I've been asking myself the same question. But there is something about her that I can't lay my hands on. She's so funny. Have you seen her cook? She cooks with excitement. I don't know. I can't wrap my head around it. She's a fun person. But she just knows how to use her strange and mysterious ways to capture one's attention. I find that interesting, actually.
You found who interesting? What are you saying? I was hoping that we would spend time together talking about us, our love life. But all you do is to talk about the cook. The cook this, the cook that. She's not even funny. What is all this?
She's not a cook. She's a chef. I mean...
You are still talking about her.
What cook cooks with the kind of inspiration that she cooks with? Have you seen her cook before? Alright, I'm sorry, my love. My head is just filled with this strange girl and her mysterious ways of cooking. I just find her interesting, nothing serious. Don't take it to heart, it's nothing. What do you want us to talk about?
That can be classified as true love. True love, as true love. The kind of love that can swim the
Why are you like this? Obviously something is bothering you. What's going on?
The prince will not stop talking about the palace chef. He has been acting like someone who is under a spell. Choma, should I be worried or what?
Of course you should be worried. There is something about that girl I just cannot place my hands on. I have told you before. There is something about that girl. I don't know, but there's something very funny and fishy about that girl. I feel she has a mission in this place.
Really?
Yes.
So what am I going to do? The prince doesn't talk about me as much as he does to her. Always saying that he finds her funny. Please, what is funny about her? Is she a comedian or what? Please, am I supposed to be concerned about this?
You should be concerned. Oh, I don't understand. You're asking me that. You better act fast. You know your situation is very different. Unlike mine. Our own is love at first sight. You know how it is now, but yours is not. You guys are struggling to, understand each other and all of that, but you must watch that girl. You must watch her. I've told you.
But I have to think and observe things before I take a move.
Really?
Yes. I don't want my insecurity to spoil things for me in the palace. Don't forget our aim. Yes, to achieve our aim of becoming the flower in the palace.
I am already a blooming flower. I don't know about you. So talk about yourself, because my relationship is settled. Struggle for yours. Don't add me to your list.
Your Highness, I made this one specially for you. Yes. Testa. Right that side we meet today, well. Chop that side.
You are telling me decide to buy.
I dey tell you, now there the ingredients there. You don't like it?
Wow! This is great. I talk how. Who taught you how to make all this?
Juju. Your Highness, the alignment when I get with Juju no be here. They came to me in my dream last night. They just told me to prepare this special delicacy for you. I said, Your Highness, you don't get with you, I know they cook. And they use pawpaw do meat pie. Carrot, and they use and do tea. Indian tea. I can combine anything you want me to combine for you. As they tell me this one for night, as I wake up this morning, I say, no, Your Highness has to taste this delicacy. Juju delicacy.
The juju you mentioned here, do you mean deity?
I mean our deity. They love me so much and I love them too. So, and I have this nature force in me that connects us together. That's just it.
Your words have depths and they are very spiritual. Yet the way you say it with so much confidence, which means you are remarkable. I wish you can be a member of this royal home.
Me? Highness won't give me with shyness. Let me shy.
Don't.
Your Highness,
no need to be shy. My dear, this tastes so good.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Your Highness, you can't be telling her that. Don't you think that is a very big joke?
How?
She is just a chef. Her place is in the kitchen. She should remain there. Besides, the princess found a wife in me. So I don't see why you're joking with her with such an expensive joke.
My dear, you are taking my words so serious. Like you rightly said, the princes have both found a wife, which you are one of them. You need to relax. There is no need disturbing yourself.
Yes, Your Highness.
This was only a royal joke.
It's only a joke.
This tastes so great. Would you mind taking a bite?
It tastes great?
Yes. You know, she can cook very well. She is beautiful also.
Oh, she can cook? Oh, okay. Damn bad.
Would you mind taking that?
What did you say?
Gifts to make him and not happy. Our recipes are one of things that
You're looking the palace, looking this excited.
Yeah.
One would think the royals are dragons tearing you limb by limb.
And it's truly heartbreaking. I thought we were nice to you.
Yeah. But una no say una nice. But I have to go. Today is my off day. And I need to go home to be with the ones I love. Who shoot up?
I thought you cook for the ones you love.
And love the people that you cook for. So what's this that we
I
hear?
love everybody in this house. I love everybody. But I need to go. Because my mother is waiting for me. I'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. We're not going to stop you. But it's already quiet around here. And I'm sure going to be bored without you.
So that's why they make noise here before. I'm not going to talk from now again. I'm not verse.
Oh, well, that's because you're effortlessly funny.
Now that one I did wait to make it. Oh yeah, make I did good. I'll see you people tomorrow.
She's one of a kind.
Chima, you're so different around her. What's going on? Is there something that I should know?
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You know, you're always feigning ignorance when it comes to women. You laugh excessively when she's around you. And not just that, your eyes twinkle when you're staring at her. And you always find excuses to be with her or see her. Tell me, do you like her?
Come on, Naso. You already know the answer to that. I'm with Uche. And I like Uche very much. But Amaka, there's something about her that I just can't explain. I'm drawn to her in ways that I don't even know. I find her interesting.
Well, you need to watch it, brother, so you don't be like me, who finds it difficult to make decisions between different women and ends up an ultimate player.
No, so you know that is not possible. Me, end up like you. Come on, one. Okay.
You are always bringing me here when we have something important to discuss. What is it this time?
Shoma, I noticed something.
What is it?
Yes, I saw the way Chima was smiling and staring at that maiden when she was leaving for weekend. I was shocked. Shoma, I recognized this smile. This was the same smile he gave me the first time we met. There is something fishy about both of them.
It's very serious, too. I mean, this is really serious. So what are you going to do about it?
To kick her out of the palace.
Very good.
Yes. She should leave my way.
Good.
Listen, that is why I brought you here. I need more ideas. I need to deal with her.
You brought me here to give you ideas. I don't understand. You have always been a schemer. You know how to scheme your way into things. So why not bring that talent of yours out? Why must it be me?
We have to put heads together, please.
I should join my head with your head inside this matter. My sister, you have to.
Let me see what will happen. Both of us will put hands together and push you out of this palace.
No. See, listen to what you're going to do. You will do your usual way. But all I know is that you need to think of something very strong so that by the time they drive her out of this palace, even if she begs, she will never come back. But
that is why I brought you here.
No, you will not bring me here to think about something for you. You will think about it for yourself. I will support you.
Please come and help me give the queen this tea. I need to go to the convenience.
What are you still there? Scratch my legs, scratch my butt. I scratch.
I should
scratch everywhere. Scratch. What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Go in. Call the royal physician. Call everybody. Let them go. Because this is a conspiracy against me. Where are you going? I want to call them. Call everybody.
I'm sorry.
Call everybody. Where is the girl? Everybody come.
Your Majesty, how can they add lemongrass to your tea when they know very well that you are allergic to it?
You mean there is lemongrass in the tea?
Yes, of course, Your Majesty. What we are facing now is caused by lemongrass.
Does Amaka want to kill me? Why must she add lemongrass in my tea? I gave her the list of the things I'm allergic to.
No, Mother, Amaka cannot cook something that will hurt you. No, she can't do that.
Honey, calm down. The physician just said that there is lemongrass in it. And you're defending her. Or are you trying to call a physician a liar?
Okay, let us all calm down. Can we all calm down, please?
No, now. Amaka does not look like one that can hurt a fly, not alone the queen.
You're right.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, it doesn't show on the face.
Fetch me Amaka immediately. Ebele, quickly, I want you to go there first. Now.
Yes, Your Highness.
My queen, easy.
Oh, my body is catching me. My body is on fire. Your Majesty, so sorry.
Did you see her face? Oh my God, she wanted to die.
My God, from the possibility of becoming one of the royal family to a royal criminal. You know what it means to be a royal criminal.
But wait first, so babe. You be one kill the queen. Why you gamble with her life like that?
Bring your voice down. Why do you do like this? Bring your voice down. I want to ask you something. On whose idea was it to do something that will impact negativity in royal family?
So if I see you keep person, you keep person. My sister, you go too far, but that's okay. At least you don't do the job. I'm
really happy. Yes, I am so happy. It's just that I'm unsettled. The way Chima was just taking sides with her. But don't you see it?
We're not the talk Chima matter here now. Now the matter where you do now, so what happen at least. Nothing make that queen, forgive that girl.
I swear.
So we'll go celebrate later. Face aside my face this and we'll talk later.
Just carry one like can't give person on the whole. How could I have done that? How could I? I want to punish that person who did that, I want to punish him. I swear if I go choke and inside that person, who do that thing?
Amaka, did you forget the queen is allergic to lemongrass?
How can I forget? How? There is no way I'll forget something so important, especially when it has to do with somebody's life. I did not. I know somebody put something inside that tea to make me look bad before the queen.
Somebody? Why would someone do that to you? And what do the person stand to achieve by doing that?
This question where you ask me now, who you want make I ask? I know who do I can't stand here, they cry, they waste this my tears. Why I go take cry the day when my papa go die? Which kind of question be this? My only concern right now is just the queen. I know she feels unsafe around me. That's my only problem now. This question where they ask me now, I no concern you. May God no for who no kill that person we do that thing first.
It's okay. Stop crying. I'll make sure we'll fix the camera in the kitchen next time to avoid things like this.
What you not supposed to do since so? You come stressing me for them.
Mother, we have all witnessed how Amaka cooks with pure intention. She even offers praises to the deities when she's making this food. How will someone like that hurt you, the queen, intentionally?
What are you trying to say, son? Lemongrass, which I'm allergic to, was added to my tea and hurt me. Okay? Even it was a mistake. She is not innocent. If not for the relationship I had with her mother, I would have her tortured until she confesses the motive behind this hurt.
She believes someone tampered with your tea to put her in trouble. And for some reason, I believe her.
It's becoming rather strange, Chima. In my whole life, I've never seen you defend or stand for anybody before except your twin brother. It baffles me that you're just giving in for this girl, this cook. I'm shocked. Why? Can you tell me?
That's because she's pure.
I can see it in her. She has a pure intention. I mean, anyone can see it. Bro, if you see her cook, have you witnessed her cook? You would notice what I'm talking about. This girl, she gives praises to the deities when she's cooking. So that kind of person cannot. No, mother.
I smell a rat.
If you are right that someone mixed up the tea that she made for Queen, what's the reason for doing so?
I don't know. But I believe her.
Does it mean we are unsafe in this palace? Does it mean we have an enemy living with us?
She's one of a kind, endowed by the gods, gifts to make him and not happy.
Mama? Oh,
you're here.
Yes, but I came to collect my herbal medicine. I need it at the palace.
You first tell me what is going on in the palace. The lawyers, are they good to you?
Well, I won't lie, they've been exceptionally good to me. Especially the Queen. But I think her favoritism towards me is creating enemies and getting me into problem.
What are you talking about? Are you in trouble?
You know what, Mama? It's nothing. I don't want you to bother yourself. But I just want you to know that I'll be careful. I'll be fine. Oh?
You're a smart girl. I want you to apply wisdom. You know these princess guests, their girlfriends, they live in the palace. When they notice this kind of their favoritism and kindness towards you, it can spark insecurity. And they may come after you. You know flowers in the palace? There are roses with thorns. Everything there on a disadvantage.
It's okay, Mama. I've heard you. Let's go inside. Let me just get my medicine.
I see that you're on your way back to the palace. Why are you sad now? What is the problem?
I don't know, but it seems like I've lost my confidence. I don't even know if the Queen will trust me anymore. They feel threatened with me being around with everything that has happened. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. Everything will be fine, okay? You know I don't like it when you're sad. I can't even stand it, my love. I love it when you smile. My love, my baby. My love. I love you so much, right?
What is wrong?
What is it now?
We are outside.
No, nobody's here. Nobody's watching us now.
People are passing.
I don't care. You're my baby. I don't care.
Why am I even worried about her? She looks happy. Why am I worried about her? Earlier I was worried about you. But now I see you're fine. I was wondering why I've been worried, because you look good to me.
Yes, truly, you're not supposed to be worried, my prince. I'm just a common subject. A chef, a cook in the house.
You know, I asked myself the same question. Why am I worried about you? At the same time, I can't help but think about you and get worried about you. Besides, how do you feel now?
I'm better now. I feel okay now. Actually, somebody special made me smile.
I wish I'm that person.
that put such smile on your face. I really do. I'm that person. But I'm glad you're fine.
I'm very fine, Your Highness. Thank you for worrying about me.
You're welcome.
Your Majesty, we've always prayed for the deity's continued blessing for longevity. But nobody knows when one closes his eyes and it remains so forever.
Your Majesty, Echezona is right. Now that your eyes are still open, we plead with His Majesty for the stability of the royal house and the entire kingdom to name his heir apparent to the throne, in case anything happens.
My chiefs, I understand your concern and agitations. Yes, death is a necessary end that must come when it must come. You can't decipher. My children are twins, and both of them are qualified to be a king after me in this kingdom. I think I don't have any problem with them. Yes.
Yeah, Your Majesty, we know that they are twins, but one is more qualified to the other. Any of the princes that has shortcomings cannot be considered as a heir apparent to the throne. That is the rule.
A prince with a spotless reputation should man the throne.
Well, you are not wrong. You are not wrong, but I am your king. And I think I know the right thing to do. Whenever I take my decision on who is going to be the king after me, I will not hesitate to convene a meeting of the Council of Chiefs and then make my intentions known to everybody. For my children, there will never be a problem to the throne of this kingdom. Have your peace, my chiefs. Everything is already put in place. My children won't impose any problem.
It's okay.
Just be rest assured.
It's okay. That'll be too good.
You can still help yourself.
I know you like this very much.
I will.
Looks like you have something in mind to say, do you?
I have a lot. A lot of things, but I'll break it down for you to understand. A woman needs a man. A good support system. I need one from you. You need to support me.
Oh, okay. What exactly do you need from me?
Good. The chiefs. They said the best prince will become king. Please, I want you to be of good behavior. Carry yourself well. Respect yourself. Respect the people. I just need you to be of good behavior so you can be king.
Wow. Well, if I'm to be honest with you, then I must tell you that I don't care about who becomes the next king or who wears the crown. As a matter of fact, I feel like Chima, my brother, is a better person to take that position. I mean, he would be a better king. So, you see, I'm not really interested or care about who wears the crown.
Nonso, you lie. Nonso, you lie. If you do not want to become king, I want to be queen. And I will do everything to put you down. You must be king. Whether you like it or not.
I see. Why don't you come and crown me?
True love is tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love. Can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands. That can be classified as true love. As true
Royal
love.
guests, greetings. How may I help you?
Greetings. I have come to tell you that I'm very sorry for everything that has happened. My conscience is disturbing me. I just want to tell you that I'm not part of it, but I am very sorry. I mean, it's okay if you don't want to come close. You know, we were never friends, but I don't mind if we become friends now.
That's in where your mind. Talk am. What do you want to talk?
I was not part of anything that happened. It's not me, it's my friend.
I don't understand what you're saying. What exactly do you mean?
You said somebody messed with the queen's tea. It is true. She did. But I am not part of it. I mean, I just had to cover her up because I don't want her to get into trouble.
I said it. But wait though. But you, Seth, why they betray your friend? Why are you telling me?
Because I don't want her to hurt you.
Yeah.
Yes, I see you're a very good cook and you're a very nice person. I don't want her to hurt you. She's planning something really bad for you. She thinks you want to get in her way to get the prince. But I don't mind. At least things has changed now. We are now friends.
Yeah? You and who be friends? Okay, you want us to be friends? Bestie? Oh yeah, now come make we do bestie hug now. You dey fear to hug? Come make we hug now. I said, I don't forget say bestie day. Oh yeah, come make we pluck this thing together. Bestie.
Babe, what's eating you up? Is everything okay?
This was not what you promised me. Yes. Remember, we were so in love and ready to take it to the next level. All of a sudden, everything stopped. Right now, you are so close to me, yet very far away. What is going on?
What do you mean, far away? I'm here with you. Am I not loving enough?
You are not loving enough. Prove it! Yes! Prove it to me that I am best part of your life. Announce it to the king and the queen. Our intention to get married. What are we waiting for? Are we not in love?
I know I made these promises to you. But I don't know why you are in a hurry all of a sudden. Why you persuaded me? That's unlike you.
My love, I know you to be a very attentive person. But I'm surprised you're not even noticing what's going on with your brother.
Really? What's that?
You're serious now?
Yes.
Okay, so you haven't noticed he likes Amaka. He likes Amaka so much. I don't know, maybe because he's a gentleman, he just doesn't want to hurt Uche. You don't see it that way?
He denied it when I asked him, saying that he only finds her interesting and funny.
And you believe him? That's a lie. He likes her. See, I want us to encourage him. He needs to follow his heart. Do you understand? I don't know. I just feel Amaka will be a better choice for him.
Why do you think so?
Because she's smart. I know so. And she's a good cook. She'll cook for us.
And she's good looking too.
And she's good looking too. No.
Okay.
You know,
Everyone sees it in your eyes that you like the chef, but you keep denying it.
Why do you keep bringing this up? Like, why?
But you're not denying not liking Amaka. Wait, are you two-timing these ladies in your heart? Is that what you're doing?
Am I supposed to answer that? No, tell me, am I supposed to answer that question? You and I know that I like Uche very much. I like Uche. Let's leave it at that.
Choma says that you like her so much. She sees it in your eyes. But I don't know why you find it difficult to be brave enough as a man and accept your feelings.
What else did Choma say? Since she now look into my eyes and see things, what else is she seeing in my eyes? I hope the next time she look at my eyes, she sees that I am not a womanizer. And I am not about to start now.
She's one of a kind, endowed by the gods, gifts to make him and
you're getting worked up for nothing.
Yeah, her recipes are one of a kind. She know the things that we make the belly happy. She's a wonderful woman, Amaka, oh Amaka, a special woman, Amaka, choice of every man, Amaka, wife material.
What's in your cup? I'm just helping you wash the tomato and the onion. I just want to help you because
I was waiting. No, I'm asking, why are you helping me? God have mercy. Why are you doing this?
Amaka, I just want to be your friend. What is so difficult for you to understand?
Why? I just want to... No, that's the question. Why you want to be my friend? Eh? You see you as I look you, as you are they shine like rats. You go so far enter my trouble. I am not even kidding you. Because I don't understand this thing you are trying to do. But you see you, I don't feel lose guard for where you do. Ah no, I won't be die now. I see, I dig ground, I for where you did. I'll follow you up. This thing you are trying to do to your friend, I still don't understand it.
I'm not betraying my friend. I just want the prince to marry you because he truly loves you. Yes, and you deserve a man that loves you truly.
Your prince, he loves you. When the ring went in your finger, you don't advise me. No, you are giving me advice, yet you cannot advise yourself. If you have this initiative in your head, why has the man that you have been with not proposed to you or even married you? You still there, they fling hair. Eh?
Amaka,
waiting.
I am begging you, please. The prince wants to marry you. He truly loves you.
Chai, thank you very much for your advice. When you see your friendship, your advice, everything about you, I don't want it. Go back to your friend. Go and continue. Do you see that this betrayal thing they do? I will get to the root of it. Oh yeah, carry your wallet in. Please, let me see. Make you help me do it. No, you're advising me and you cannot. Auntie, mommy, future queen. Beg me, Auntie. You see this your betrayal, this thing you are doing to your friend. He's still questioning. My friend, me? No, me nah. You don't see me. Oh yeah, move. I go use your weak tape when you go outside. Go outside. I just want to Auntie, go outside. Man, don't shave this that will carry for your what sort of friend is this?
Chima. Nonso.
Your Majesty.
My chiefs are really at it. Yes. There is this pressure on me right now on who is going to be the next, on who is going to be the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom. Who is going to be the king after me. And the pressure is right now on me and one both of you to help me in this decision.
Anyone, Your Majesty.
Chima.
Anyone, Your Majesty.
Come, let me understand something vividly here. Are you saying that you're handing the decision over to me single-handedly, who is going to be the heir apparent to my kingdom after me?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Whatever I say is final, and you people are not going to have
ripples about this tomorrow. You won't contest it?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Hi. May the gods of our ancestors be praised. What else am I looking for? The full moon is my glow. For giving me wonderful children like this.
Your Majesty, we are okay with whosoever becomes the next king of this kingdom. Whoever you consider a good son for the crown should wear the crown and sit on that throne and be guaranteed the support of his brother.
Your Majesty, I totally agree with my brother. Whoever you decide to be the king, we will support wholeheartedly and make sure his reign is successful.
May the gods of our ancestors be praised. This is happening in my own time. I am proud of both of you, making it easy for this kingdom. May the gods protect both of you.
See. Oh, your wife, the Lolo, is here.
Your visit is timely.
Really?
We'll leave the both of you to...
I guess we should
What else can the gods do for me? I can't imagine having such fantastic twins. Could you believe that their children made up their mind that whoever I chose as the king of this kingdom, heir apparent to the throne, there's no problem, no malice, no cankerworm. Can you imagine that?
That is good. It's a good one. Loyalty among them is what we have ever prayed for. It's a good one.
I think the gods have really favored us. But that makes it more difficult. Yes, both of them are of good character, attitude, and especially lately. And it makes it difficult for me to take a decision of who is going to be the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom. Confused, yes.
Do we allow fate to make the decision for us? Or do we choose it based on who among the prince gets married first to a more capable queen? Maybe we should base our decision on that.
That's striking. Huh. You've got it. You've got it.
Sir, you have to pay me for bringing up such a good idea.
You deserve it. It's alright. I'm good to go. I will pay. Just give it to me here.
I am the one that brought the idea. So, you have to.
As it pleases your majesty.
Love is tasted in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what.
Not enough.
It can be tested by fire. Can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire.
The air selection is around the corner.
That can be classified as true love.
And as both of you already know,
As true love.
the choices are stiff. Both princes are qualified to rule after the king. Both of you have a very vital role to play here. Any prince with the most capable queen by his side. And if that prince happens to get married first,
What is regarded as a capable queen, Your Majesty? I am ready for anything.
Let her talk. I'm ready too. Just let her talk. Your Majesty, I'm very sorry. Yeah, let's go ahead.
In reply to your question, someone who is considered fit for royalty, without scandals, dirty secrets, and someone of good educational background and status. Any prince whose choice of a wife falls short of this requirement cannot be king.
Majesty, you don't go to school.
What do you mean? Your Majesty is here. What is it? Why did you call me out here?
Because I wanted to hand you this. Happy birthday, by the way. I wish you many more blessings and happiness in this your new age.
Wait a minute. How did you know it's my birthday? Who told you?
I went a very long mile to find out this information because I wanted to surprise you on your special day.
If I may ask, why are you being nice to me? Yes, why are you always concerned about anything that has to do with me?
You cook for us, remember? That is enough to be nice to you.
Oh, the last time I checked, I'm not the only one who works in the palace as a maid. Shebi Ebere, they work for palace. Have you ever been nice to her? I've never seen you check up on her or give her anything. Why are you always looking for me? And why did you have to bring me all the way out of the palace? I think, what did they try to do? Because now I be like say you they sneak to give me gifts. Okay? I'm not going to shift panto. I would not do anything and I don't know why you are giving me gifts. Taking me out of the palace to give me something. Why?
Now you're making it feel like we're doing something wrong. But we are not. I'm only being nice to you.
This is not niceness. I dey say for you. I will tell you they say na shower. Now make you shift my pants. Now waiting they hungry you. You they carry give. I've told you before. I don't want anything to do. Please, thank you for the gift, but I do not want it. Excuse me.
Amaka. Tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on. No matter what, it can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands. That can be classified as true love. True love, as true love. The kind of love that can swim the ocean to save a lover. The kind of love I call true love.
A little bit tells me that you have been friending Amaka while telling no so that Chema likes her. How could you? Of what use is this stupid information when I am with him? Choma, I don't understand.
You seem worried. Else we will not be having this conversation. What's this conversation for?
Choma, what are you up to? I know you very well. Have you forgotten I'm the one that brought you into this palace? Have you? Okay, now, listen. I just want to ask you one question. One question, Choma. Are we still friends? Are we?
Are we still friends?
Yes.
Well, as for now, I'm not going to answer that question. Secondly, I was talking to my boyfriend. I mean, this boyfriend, girlfriend, gossip mate. I had to talk to my boyfriend, but nevertheless, did you say it or not? Did you say it? So why are you shouting?
Do you want to beat your mother?
Mother, see, I'm not even in a good mood. Did you tell the prince it's my birthday today?
Yes, I told him. You know, it's not as if he came to ask me if today is your birthday. He was asking me other things about you. So your date of birth now came up, and I told him today is your birthday by telling him your birth date.
Where is your megaphone? No, Mama, just carry microphone now. Go to the village square and announce to everybody. Tell them things about me. Mama, why you?
It's a bad thing.
It's a bad thing.
Birthday, what a bad thing.
You're just telling him that it's my birthday today. You are encouraging this young man. Knowing full well that I will not have anything to do with it. Mama, I'm in love with Obiora and nothing will change it.
Did you know if he wants to come and do parara for
Mama,
you?
did I ask anybody for parara? Eh? The parara love Obiora is giving to me is enough for me.
You see that thing? Who is Obiora issue? Eh? What are you doing with that idiot? Stop pretending as if you don't know my plans. I want you to be a royal bride. That is my dreams for you, to marry into the royal family where you be respected, pampered, and taken care of. Although you got you trousers or you skirt, is that what you want for your life?
Mama, if you really wanted this royal blood, you wanted to be in it, why did you not look for a prince and get married to him?
I would have loved it, Obiaro.
Mama, well, this one is not coming for me. You are the one forcing it on me. Mama,
chase your dream. Mama, when you see your dream, chase it.
Mama, you are chasing your dream, not mine.
It's your own. I'm chasing. Mama,
I will not have anything to do with that young man. Stop this thing you are doing. I don't like it.
I will make you have something to do with him. Don't worry about it. Oh, you know I love you. Why are you calling him that? Just call him Moby Monkey. Yes. Then I call you. Because what is it because of the baby came out?
Endowed by the gods, gifts to make him and not happy. Yeah, her recipes are one of a kind. She knows the things that we make the belly.
I missed you so much.
I miss you too.
Where have you been now? I went to the palace to look for you. They say you are not there. Where did you go to?
I had to go and see my mother. I don't know what is wrong with her. She keeps giving information to that. I don't know what to make out of that prince, that strong-headed prince. She keeps giving him information about me. I had to go and talk to her.
Obim, I knew it. I knew it. This one you started going to this palace, there would definitely be a problem. And look at what is happening now.
Why are you sounding like this?
I knew it.
Listen, Obim, there is no problem. You know my heart belongs to you. I love you from the deepest, and nobody, not one soul, can take you away from me. Nobody moves me like you do.
Obim, are you sure? You know I don't want to lose you to anyone. I will just die, Obim.
You will not die.
Just die.
You will not die. The day you die is the day I'm going to die too. So you are not dying anytime soon.
You know how to make me smile. I got you this for your birthday.
You bought me a gift. Okay. Thank you. But I want you to sing me a birthday song before I open it.
Hey, you want a
so that I can do
you want a birthday song?
Yes.
You know I'm very good at singing, no? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, no. Well, let me see.
Okay.
Hey. I wasn't expecting this.
You know I will do anything to. I cannot allow anyone to take my home and from me. It is not possible. Or it is not possible.
Ew. Obim.
Do you like it?
You said you will like it. I love it. I love it from the... You wet me kokoshu.
My love.
I got no Daya.
I'm telling you.
On Sunday's bazaar.
Yes, sir.
My stepping into that church that day. I got to go to different.
It will size you, Abi.
What are you asking me? Oh, don't let me.
It has always been me asking us to come here to talk. But today, you did. It must be very sensitive and private.
Okay, I'll just go straight to the point. Yesterday you asked me if we were still friends.
Exactly.
Yes, we are still friends, but we are in a competition, so there should be a line. That's why I called you.
Choma, there has to be no competition. We can support our men without trying to play dirty tricks.
Who is playing dirty? I'm not playing dirty. This is my future here. Yes, thanks. All thanks to you. You brought me here. You brought me to the palace. I've left that one bedroom to this place. I'm comfortable with the lifestyle here. I don't know about you. Sweetheart, we are in a competition. I want to be the queen.
No. Let me understand you.
What
are you trying to say?
I'm telling you now that
we should let go of friendship and become rivals.
What? I bet my sister pack that in carry go corner. Wait till you talk of friendship. I talk, I speak English. You see, this are no get sense. Carry friendship go corner, Joe. I talk of queen. Crown will go in my head. You talk of friendship. Carry friendship go corner. I want to be the queen. I don't know about you. Let's just put. There should be a line. That's what I'm trying to say. There should be a line. Just know. When they walk front here, anything where you see, you collect.
I should always know that your eyes is on the throne. Why did I bring you here?
That one concern you. I don't reach episode, I don't reach, and that crown of mirror.
Endowed by the gods, gifts to make him and not happy. Yeah, her recipes are one of a kind.
Fine. I'll see you later.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Be careful, Lord.
A special woman, Amaka, choice of every man, Amaka, wife material, Amaka, her intimidative nature.
Don't follow. Amaka. What did I just see? A bicycle. Now, this is a true definition of what they say, love is wicked. What are you doing with a man like this? What do you want from him?
I want to collect kukuru and granite from him. That is portable, baby. Now look at him.
You're asking me, what exactly is your problem? Why are you trying so hard? Tell me, why? Amaka, you will not tell me that you do not know that the prince loves you. Do not throw this under the bus. You better take this offer right now.
As my life depends on the offer now.
You know, I know exactly what you're trying to do. You are using me as a pawn against your friend, but I don't understand where this is coming from. Why do you want to betray your friend so much? But you see this plan of yours. You see this betrayal you are planning. I will get to the root of it. I will find out exactly why you are doing this. Trust me. Amaka, true love comes just once. This is your opportunity. You better grab it very well now.
Thank you very much, advisor of the Federation.
But you see Aproko. I don't know why you always want to put your nose in everything that does not concern. Who will just see you now? Say you're fine, correct. But Aproko won't kill you. Everything you want to proclose. Amaka.
What?
I just want the best for you. That's just what I want.
You, this demon, you want the best for me.
And this Aproko way they make. I don't know why everything that does not concern you, you want to put your nose inside. You see you and this your nose ring. If track you and this your nose ring. Aproko, anything they no call you, go put your mouth inside. Amaka, the prince loves
Advise
you.
yourself first.
Have you finished advice? Don't try me.
Orosco number 2. See them.
Wow. I can see you mean business in this palace and you're working very hard to achieve it. What is your game plan in this palace, Chioma? What do you stand to gain in all of this?
Uche, this is a competition. Do you understand?
Really?
Yes. You better pack friendship outside. It's a competition. Let's fight for it. And my life depends here. Why you're saying your business.
It is sad to see that after everything that we both have been through together, it's the quest for the crown. It's tearing us apart.
No, you are
like,
going...
wow.
Forget personal issue right now. Just forget about that.
Yes.
What we fought for. We are fighting for the crown. My life depends on this.
Fine. You want to play dirty? Mark my lips.
What will happen?
Yes, I will fight for this crown. Fair and square.
You will fight and
yes. It is sad to see that someone I brought to this palace to elevate her life is the one trying everything to bring me down.
But if you don't have sense, I will take the prince. If a competition, we will take competition. Fight.
True love is tasted in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands. That can be classified as true love. True love, as true love. The kind of love that can.
You look stressed. Is my brother stressing you?
Your Highness, you get it right. You know, Your Highness, you know how much your brother loves and cares for me. I am not feeling it anymore. I am not sure of it anymore.
I don't think so. I mean, you are the love of Chima's life. Maybe he just preoccupied with other things. You're not thinking that my brother is cheating on you, are you?
Not at all. I am not thinking that way. But Your Highness, everything about him changed. He don't care about me anymore. Nothing is working. I am tired.
Chima is not what you are thinking. I mean, he fears to hurt anyone. But I've listened to your concern and I'm going to talk to him. That I promise.
Your Highness, you will talk to him?
Yes, I will.
Hi, Your Highness, thank you so much. I always know that I can count on you. Thank you, Your Highness.
Sure, you can always count on me. Okay?
Thank you, Your Highness.
See. Alright. I will talk to you later.
Thank you.
And I'll be holding your hands to the end.
I thought we'd keep our issues to ourselves. Why did you have to report me to my brother?
Who should I talk to other than your twin? I just wanted him to tell you how I feel.
Well, you can talk to me. I'm always with you.
What is going on? Do you still love me? Do you still want us to be together forever? Tell me.
What kind of question is that? Have I given you the impression that we are not together anymore?
Now you see, my prince. I am so sorry when I spoke to you. You no longer shower me with gifts and attention. I used to be the center of your world. But right now, you are very close to me and yet far away. I want you.
Uche, what are you talking about? Why are you making things up? You are the same girl that I have introduced to my mom and dad as my wife. How else do you want me to prove to you that we are together? How?
I need more attention. How do you want me to say it? I need the look in your eyes the first day we met. I missed you. I missed us together. I want us.
You're making up things in your head. You're making up stuff in your head, and it's not helping you. Because the last time I checked, we are together. Look at us right now. This is you, this is me. We are together. Stop cooking up stuff in your head. It's not helping you.
Right now, it feels like what we have is just a shadow of itself. What do you want me to do? I want us.
And this is us. Stop overthinking things, like I said. Nothing is happening. I am here with you. I'm here for you.
True love is tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands. That can be classified as true love.
What exactly is going on? Did you actually lie to her to bring me out here?
Amaka.
What?
Can we for once be together without fighting?
Okay, you don't want to fight. No. Now make me understand. Does Madam Uche know that you are meeting with me here?
Okay, I am the prince of this kingdom. And whoever I spend time with is nobody's business.
No, it is my business, it is your business, it is everybody's business. What is this you're trying to do? Okay, you think I'm one toy that you can just toss around, do whatever it is you want to do with me, and then toss me away?
That is not true.
Tell me what is true.
I regard you a lot. And I don't take you for play. You and I know that.
I don't know.
I'm drawn to you in ways that I can't even explain. All I want you to do is to allow me talk to you. Just listen to me, Amaka.
See your eye, you. Listen, I used to think you were way better than your brother. But obviously you two are on the same boat. No! Your brother is notoriously known for sleeping with women, and you are no different.
Amaka.
Don't! I am done with this conversation. Don't try this again. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is wrong with you?
Amaka.
Amaka, please.
Amaka.
It must feel so nice to have the attention of the prince on a commoner like you. A palace cook like you. Now listen, I want you to back off. Yes, if you don't back off, we will have problem.
Okay. Now the prince make you the shout. See vein for your forehead, vein don't they come outside. Eh? Now prince make you the shout. Shame no they catch you. As you did now, fine girl like you, just carry this front and now cover your front sense. You know the thing straight again. The same man that you are complaining, the same man you are fighting for, is the same man you want to take the mother's life. Just because of you trying to get a man, you want killing mama on top of him.
You know better than always threatening me without evidences. It's always you spilling lies of conspiracies in this palace. It's always you.
Now as I look you now, just open your mouth, say I be Momo. You don't get sense. You see common sense you don't have. This is the way you want to marry the prince. This is the same way you want to be with the prince. By trying to kill his mother. If I were you, I go just go Jumia and I go order for sense. If Jumia not get you, go Play Store, order for sense.
Madam,
because common sense.
Say what you know.
I will continue to say what I know. I will continue to say
evidence, with strong evidence. Say what you know.
It's bad enough that I don't have evidence, but no wahala. But you see you, they must find you.
She's one of a kind,
Pass me.
endowed by the gods, gifts to make him man not happy.
Why does it look like something is wrong? Are you okay?
Yes, there is a problem.
What is it?
Listen, how did she know I was the one behind this taunt that almost hurt the queen? How does she know that?
Why will you ask me that? It's a big palace and it's a small palace at the same time. The walls have ears.
No, don't tell me this. Joma, how can you expose me to her when you know that you are an accomplice?
That is something they worry your head. Me? What's my business with you? Amaka is not a threat to me. She's a threat to your relationship, not mine. My relationship is perfectly fine. What's my business with you and you? Please just take me out. You did this thing yourself.
I will not take you out.
How? Why?
Because both of us started it.
If I said
you contributed to it. You gave me ideas and planned everything out. Everything that has been happening in this palace. So you planned it with me. Don't even spare me with that nonsense.
Madam, if I say enter fire, you will enter fire.
Now listen.
Listen to us.
I am done with that silly game you are playing in this palace.
Who be this one?
Yes, I am done.
Come on, Gata, come on for here. They talk nonsense. How can you call yourself his twin brother and you don't even know what's going on with him? He's sad.
What are you trying to say there?
I know it's about Amaka. He likes Amaka. But Amaka is still with her bicycle boyfriend.
The last time I spoke to my brother, he wasn't sure about how he feels for Amaka. But said that he's with Uche. So I think it's just his decision.
He's just being proud. I mean, which man will accept that he's been rejected by a woman? Maybe Amaka still prefers her bicycle boyfriend and he feels really hurt.
You see.
I think I need you to talk to him. Talk to him. Convince him.
My brother is man enough to know what he wants. If that's his decision, then let it be. He knows what he wants.
He does not know anything. He's just being proud. I know what I'm saying. He likes her. See, I know you love your brother so much. Please, I need you to talk to him. He's your twin brother. Anything to make your brother happy.
So you care about his happiness?
Because he's your twin. He's your brother.
Amaka. Amaka.
Yes, my prince, I'm coming.
How are you?
Fine.
I brought you something.
Hey, be like say Christmas don't reach you. Because I don't understand why you are buying me gifts.
I hope there is no motive behind this gift because nothing comes for free. You are not that nice and you are not Father Christmas, so why are you giving me gifts?
Oh, come on. It's just a gift. And it's because I'm a nice person.
Who does you nice? You're nice if I wear. Why are you being nice to me alone? What about Ebere? The other maids in the palace too. Why now only me you the nice for?
Okay. Fine. I find you attractive.
Yeah. Chai.
And truth is, you make me so happy.
Wow.
And I'm drawn to you in ways that I cannot even explain. The laughter that comes with it.
Very wow.
It gladdens my heart.
Wow, 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 wow. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's what you're talking about.
This exactly makes me so happy. The way you're so happy with yourself, I love it about you.
Yeah.
So yes, this has no interior motive.
What kind of interior motive there? You see all this line where you take knife, now that time when I don't get sense, I for don't open leg now. You just buy me gifts. Oga, I have told you before. I am in love with somebody. You self, you are in love with another person. Why you want cause commotion? Let me make it clear to you. Whether you speak from now to tomorrow, give me all the lines so Shakespeare or borrow from anybody. It no go work. I will never betray Obiora. I won't do it. Capiche?
True love is tested in fire. True love
can I go now?
I can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands. That can be classified as true.
Your Highness, you should know when you are being rejected. Have some pride and dignity. Protect your name for Christ's sake.
I would, if I feel my happiness needs my pride. But it doesn't.
You call her your happiness? What am I? Your sadness? No, tell me!
Uche, are we still on this?
We are still on this! You have to tell me the truth. I can handle it. Tell me! Are you still interested in me or are you just keeping me in this palace just so Amaka comes around before you kick me out of this palace? I want to know. I want to understand it.
Uche, what are you expecting to hear from me?
The truth.
You say you can handle the truth. What if I cannot handle telling you the truth?
Listen, even if you can't handle telling me the truth, it's written all over your face. I can say it. I can feel it. Why are you doing this to me? Making me feel like I'm not important to you. Why? Listen, even if you don't tell me the truth now, someday, it will come out.
Uche.
My princess.
Your Majesty.
Father. I am human. And I've been expecting that for a very long time. That this overdue silence would have been broken. But up to this moment, not even one person have broken this silence. I've been thinking, my princess, and I've been expecting that for a very long time now, this overdue silence should have been broken. But up to this moment, none. At least I'm expecting that either you or both of you announces a date for the wedding bell to ring. But up till now, none. Don't your king deserve to see the princess' wives? Is it a crime?
It is not a crime, Father. But you know, marriage is a lifetime commitment. And I, for one, will want to make sure whoever I'm going on that journey with, it's worth it.
Your Majesty, whatever Chima here says is right. I mean, I became a one-woman man because Chema, my brother here, inspired me to be one. And who knows, I could become a husband only if he decides to be one. So whatever he says, I agree, Father.
True love is tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands. That can be classified as true love. True love, as true love. True love. The kind of love that can swim the ocean to save a lover. The kind of love I call true love. True love. I call true love. That's what I feel for you, my queen. What I feel for you is true love. That's what I feel for you, my love. What I feel for you is true love. I'll never leave your side, no matter what. I'll be holding your hands till the end. True love is sacrifice. True love is tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand?
My bro, I feel your misery. You love her yet you can't admit it. How sad is that?
I love her, yes I do. What does that change? It changes nothing.
So, did you let your intention know to her? Did you confess to her?
Exactly what I'm saying. It doesn't change anything. She's already in love with someone else. Her mind is already with someone. I can't force her to love me.
First time, a commoner is rejecting a prince and he must not accept that. She's not married and women love to be wooed. Come on.
She is different.
She knows what she wants. And she's serious with someone. If I sincerely love her, then I have to accept her. I have to accept her feelings. I have to respect her feelings. I have to respect whoever she is with.
In other words, if I'm getting you correctly, you're accepting her rejection, isn't it?
If that makes her happy. If accepting her no makes her happy, then that is what I'm doing.
She's one of a kind, endowed by the gods, gifts to make him and no happy. Yeah, her recipes are one of a kind. She know the things that we make the belly happy. She's a wonderful woman.
Maybe I should just marry Uche.
What?
Maybe I should marry her.
Just yesterday you told His Majesty that you're taking your time. So why are you in a rush to make your decision now?
Probably I was confused. I like Uche. Maybe I should just marry her. I think I should marry her.
Brother, listen to me. We're talking about marriage here. And once you're in, there's no going back. I hope you know that.
I know. She's the one for me. I'll tell His Majesty that I'm ready to take a step forward.
Okay, are you sure about this? You just want to do it, or maybe she's an option?
I'm sure.
Congratulations. Oh yeah, she comes. That's my friend. You are getting married. Congratulations.
On what?
Come and give me a hug. Congrats.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Look at them. They look good together.
Yeah.
Greetings, my prince.
Yeah, so since everyone is here and our drink is here, so I guess we'll have something to celebrate. So
Please, can I get an extra glass?
Okay, thank you.
just go ahead and pop this shit.
I'm lost. What are we celebrating, honey?
To the latest couple in town.
Yes.
Celebrating happiness and good life.
Happiness and good life?
Just relax
So,
and have
this
fun.
is
Yeah.
Chima
And Uche.
and Uche. Come on.
Love you so much.
Yeah, I love it too.
Thank you. No. No. This is not happening. I will never let this happen. Not under my watch. If she marries before me, then it's game over. Ah, no. No. I will not let this happen. Never.
My beautiful angel, the envy of all the women in this world, the gorgeous of them all. Since you walked in here, you've been so quiet. What bothers you, my love?
How can you not see what is going on between your brother? How can you not see it? Chima is not happy. You know it. He's just getting married to Uche because he just wants to, not because he loves her. You need to stop this marriage. You really need to stop this marriage. He prefers Amaka. You know. Oh, you want your brother to go into a loveless marriage. Is that what you want?
Listen, Chama, I want you to know that I love my brother. And loving him includes accepting his choices and supporting him.
If you love him, then you want to do everything to make him happy. He is not happy. You don't get it. Listen, you have to do everything to stop this. This will not happen. Both of you are one. If he is sad, you are sad at the same time. And it's going to affect me. I don't want this for the rest of our lives. It won't happen. If you are... in fact, I don't know.
Come on, brother, that is a terrible look for a groom to be. You don't look happy. What is it?
What are you doing here?
I'm here to see you, of course. Why would you even ask me that? I know what I saw when you look at Amaka is not same when I watched you break the news of marriage to Uche.
I'll be fine. Soon all this will be behind me. When I finally make Uche my wife.
Or when you decide to take your future into your hands. Look, brother, you need to learn to go for what you want, what you truly desire. Fight for it. You do not deserve to settle for a loveless marriage because you know that your heart belongs to someone else.
You can force a cow to the stream, or can force the cow to drink from the stream. I can't squeeze out love from a woman's heart. Because the juice that will come out from it can never be sweet. I can't force Amaka to love me.
Why are we here? What do you have to say now? The game is against you.
Uche, do not celebrate yet because he has not even proposed to you.
Nonso has not proposed to you yet. Yeah. From where I stand now, I will get married before you. Score a point with His Majesty and Chima becomes the heir. Game over, bitch!
Okay, Uche. I think we should strike a deal.
On what?
Take yourself out of this palace and disappear. Do not ever come back here again.
Such boldness. What makes you think that I can disappear from this palace? You?
You are not a saint, remember. You are not. Desperate times require desperate measures. If you do not want to go, I will force you. And you know what that means. I will squeeze you. I have a lot about you. You know that, right?
Choma.
What?
Do not threaten me.
Dare me.
Don't try it.
True love is tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands.
My friends.
You know, I don't like how excited you are whenever you're leaving this place. I thought we are nice and makes you happy in this palace.
No, they go Papa house, no, they happy. I bet as you do here, you know they happy as you do your house. My prince, there's no place like home. Oh.
And in the arms of your lover. I know about the palm wine seller. And I'm shocked that you rejected my brother just because of him. How can you reject a prince for the love of a palm wine tapper? Or will I just take it that you're playing hard to get? Is that it?
Who born monkey? Me, I don't get myself finished why they play hard to get. No, that is the decision I made for myself. I don't want to be involved with this whole palace charade, everything happening here. I said what I said, and what I feel is what I feel. I've told the prince my intentions, and I think he respects it.
And what if he's not willing to back down? I think you should just give this a second thought. Think more deep into it.
I want to go.
You can.
She's one of a kind, endowed by the gods, gifts to make him man no happy. Yeah.
Imagine a commoner saying no to a prince.
She know the things that we make the belly happy. She's a wonderful woman. Amaka, oh Amaka, a special woman. Amaka, choice of every man. Amaka, wife material.
Choma, what are you saying? I should disappear from this palace or what?
Uche, that is the proper thing to do. I'm not even shouting. I didn't have water in my mouth when I told you, did I?
No, Choma. Have you forgotten I'm the one that brought you into this palace? Have you forgotten? If I didn't bring you here, you will not have the chances of becoming royalty.
So what?
I made you!
You made who?
I made you.
So I should cry? I should dance? What do you expect me to do? Right now we are no friends. You are my competitor. You must leave the way.
Oh, now I understand you. This is why you pushed Amaka into Chima's arms. Or you think if I leave you win this competition? Do you think so? It's not possible. You will not win. It's not easy. The way you think, it's not easy.
Amaka is not a competition for me. I hope you know that. You are. She is local. She is an illiterate. She will not stand the test of time in this palace as a queen. At least you are more eloquent than her. That's why I want you to go.
So if I don't leave, what will happen?
You will leave. Else I will spill your dirty secret, you fool. You have a lot that I'm going to talk about and hold against you. You have to leave this palace now that the royals respect you. You fool.
Shut up, Choma.
A heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trials. True love. Can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands. That can be classified as true love. As true love. The kind of love that can swim the ocean to save a love.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me? I want you to come to the famous Lovers Tree. There is someone that I need you to give my message to. Alright. As fast as you can.
For today. Let's come here. What's going on? What's going on here? What's going on? Ah! Hey! Hey! What is my offense? What did I do? Hey! My head!
Now listen and listen good. This is a message from Royal Highness, the Prince of this kingdom. You cannot have what he desires. He wants you to back up if you love your life. What?
Hey! They don't give me up! Hey! They don't give me up!
Sorry. What happened? Was it an armed robbery attack? Were you robbed?
I was hoping you could take a guess. Is it not that prince that is making advances on you? That useless prince. Ah, my head hurts.
Wait a minute. You mean Prince Chima did this to you?
Yes. He sent his dog to attack me and he told me to stay away from you. You know I don't have any business in that palace if not for you. Look at what I'm passing through because of you.
What exactly is the color of that guy's problem? I thought they said he's getting married to his fiancée already. Why is he still pestering me?
I don't know.
Say, you know what? I am going to confront him. He has to tell me exactly why he did this to you. What is his problem? Is it by force to be with him? I have told him severally that I want to do it. Why is he... It's okay.
My head hurts.
It's okay. Sorry. Do you want me to get you some herbal relieving medicine?
Oh, I had already. I just need to rest. I'm so tired. Those guys pounced on me. Oh my...
Sorry. Sorry, sorry. What kind of nonsense is this? So sorry.
That guy is a beast.
I know. Sorry. Oh, good. Your Highness, how could you? How could you do something so unhonorable to your own subjects?
What are you talking about?
Now you want to feign ignorance, right? Like you don't know what I'm talking about. Who sent talks to Obiora to beat him up, asking him to leave me alone? You had to do this because he's just a commoner and you are a royal prince? Really?
Maka, you are accusing me wrongly. This is unfair. I haven't even met Obiora now to talk of sending talks to him.
Oh no.
No, that is unlike me.
My grandfather actually sent them to beat him up. No, I'm saying it. Why would you even think of something like that? Why?
I did not do it.
Tell me who did.
You have to believe me. I did not do it. And I promise you that I will find out whoever did. Whoever is perpetrating this evil with my name, I will find the person out. I promise you that. I did not do it.
Oh, keep your promises to yourself. Just to let you know the gods will judge.
Believe me, Amaka, I didn't...
She's one of a kind.
My dear, why did you say that? Is this palace no longer comfortable for you, or do you have an issue with my son?
No, Your Majesty. Actually, my stay in this palace has been very exciting. Yes, it's just that I had a rethink over my life and what I want in life. So I decided to travel outside the country to pursue my dreams. I mean, becoming queen and its royal duties will limit me. I think I need so much for myself. I just hope His Majesty and Her Majesty will just forgive me for leaving.
My prince.
Father.
Are you okay with this development? Well, if it's okay by you, my dear, you have my endorsement. You have my blessings. May the gods of our ancestors follow you in all your endeavors in life.
Ise. Thank you, Your Majesty.
I did not keep my promises to you. And for that, I'm sorry. I hope you can forgive me.
Your Highness, please, don't take it to heart. I don't have anything against you. I think we both deserve our happiness. I need to go in search of my happiness, since you have gotten yours. I need to go get my bag.
We can still be friends. If you need anything, don't hesitate to call me.
It's fine. Let me get my bag.
It's all with you, my dear.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I wish you well.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
What is it? I want to tell you that you are a really very brave girl. Listen, after everything, you decided to take a walk. Not everybody will do this.
Oh,
you are a wise girl.
You think me walking away is the right thing, right?
That's the best.
No, you blackmailed me. You threatened me. Yes. Choma, I brought you to this palace. I gave you the chance to become royalty. What did I gain? Betrayer. You are so wicked. It's sickening to see that the one I tried to elevate her life is trying everything to pull me down in this palace. You a monster. I hate you so much. You are wicked. You are heartless.
I know.
I will never forgive you.
You have to. You have
I
to.
will never.
You have to. I am very sorry about that. See, Uche, it's not my fault. This is a competition. I told you. Listen, sweetheart. When I become queen, I will take care of you. At least I will help you. This your miserable life. I'll bring you up. I'll make sure I boost it for you. I'll get you everything good thing you need. Please. And make sure. Always pray for me.
I should pray for you.
Yes, I need your prayers.
I would rather curse you all the days of my life than to pray for you. You betrayer! Using a child that you are godmother to be blackmail me.
Uche.
You are wicked.
Uche.
Listen, I cursed you today. Yes, I cursed you today. You will make mistake that will win everything that you desire. Yes, it will never be well with you.
It will never
you
be
will
well
be
with
the
you.
subject of a commoner.
Okay.
Nothing good will come your way.
Okay.
Choma, you are wicked.
Okay.
You are heartless.
I have heard.
You're wicked.
I have heard.
I will never forgive you.
No problem. But all the atrocities you committed in the past, all the curses they made on you, how many worked? I didn't get come for you.
It will work. Come on, because you're a betrayer.
You dey shout. Must sound. Come on, here. Because I didn't speak English. If you like, don't pray for me.
True love is tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands. That that can be classified as true love.
Ah, boy. We are here again for you. What is it again now? What have I done again this time? Please leave my family. No, leave them. Hey, whoa! Hey, please don't kill me, please. Ah! Peter, hey, my head, yeah, my head. Second time, right? Yeah. Listen good. I know you'll be wondering what you did, right?
Yeah.
What kind of a man will report to his woman what was done to him? This for being a blabbermouth and telling on the prince. This is our first message. You have to hurry up and break up with her, or else we will not stop coming for you until all part of your body is broken. Let me ask you, is this love worth dying for? You will not like what we are going to do you next time we come to you. You better hurry up and break up with her.
Your Highness, I am here for you to finish what you've started. I am here for you to kill me, because no matter what, I will never leave Amaka for you.
What I started? Obio, what are you talking about? You have to be careful with the things you say, because accusing the prince falsely can cost you your life.
But it is costing me my life already. You give me sleepless night because I'm poor, right? You bully me because I'm a pan white tapper. Huh? Is it by force? Is love by force? She doesn't love you. Leave her alone for me, please. And no matter what you do, I will never leave her for you.
What are you talking about, Obio? Listen, I did not, whatever is this you're talking about, I did not do it. And listen, I cannot force Amaka to accept my feelings for her. I can't do that. You must be mistaken.
You must be mistaken, right? This is an evidence of your bitterness and desperation. I am so ashamed of you. You call yourself the prince of this kingdom, but yet you drag a lady with a pan wine tapper. You're not even ashamed of yourself.
Jima, what is the meaning of that rubbish?
I did not do that.
How do you mean? How can you descend so low? So low with this your might to bully a commoner just because of a mere woman?
Father, I did not do it. Someone is trying to spoil my good image in this kingdom. I did not do it, Father. And I promise I will get to the root of this problem.
Then who did?
I don't know.
So how on earth would anybody want to slander a whole prince on this issue? What do you want me to believe?
I will find out who did, Father.
True love is tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trials. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands.
My prince. So this is it. So now so you people go see you sit down here and I go think say you be better person. So this is really you. You know, I actually thought that you were different from the others, but obviously you are not. You are just a green snake under the green grass.
Hey, Amaka, watch it. Watch your tone. I am your prince. You talk to me with some respect.
Respect. So that they give respect. Okay, now your baby hold that baby because I know they fear you. If I don't respect you, what will you do? No, will you beat me? Break my bones? Or issue another threat to Obio like you've always done? I'm asking. Or you won't tie me rope now to love you by force? Tell me, what will you do?
Amaka, the things you accuse me of doing, I am not capable of doing such thing. Someone is after my good reputation.
So,
I'm not trying to make you believe me or whatnot, but I will prove to you that I am a better man. I promise you that.
Very dark man. Now you get all the proof where they the word. I'm waiting for the proof.
Tell me you did not order the salt melted on the palm wine cellar.
John, what are you talking about?
I expected that. Look me in the eye and lie to me that you did not assault the palm wine cellar.
You already know. Why do you keep talking about finding who? Why didn't you say it is Majesty when he reminded you?
Because I don't want to be the reason they are disappointed in you. And I know you did this for me, but I did not ask for it.
Chima, we are twin brothers. You don't need to ask me to fight for you before I can fight for you. I see your sacrifice. I see how you sacrifice your feelings. Listen, whatever I did for the love of a brother.
So, you don't get it, do you? What do you even understand about human feelings? When you want people this bad, you don't go as far as hurting the ones they love. All that do is sending them far from you. You don't do that. No, so I want you to stay far away from my private matters. Can you do that for me?
Chima, I did what I did because you needed someone who is capable of doing things that you're not man enough to do. And that person is no one else but me, your twin brother. And that's exactly what I did.
Thank you. Stay far away from the things that concerns my heart. I will not have this conversation with you again.
True love is tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire still.
What is he doing here?
What does he want from us again?
Can be classified as true love. True love, as true love. The kind of love that can swim the ocean to save your lover. That kind of love I call true.
Yes, what is it? What are you doing here?
I call true love. That's what I feel for you, my queen.
Obio, I'm sorry for what happened to you. I didn't do this to you. But whoever did thought they were doing me a favor. And for that I apologize. And I promise to take care of whatever damage you incurred during the assault.
Wait, I don't get. Are you admitting that you did this to me?
Like I said, I did not. But whoever did thought they were working for me or thought they were doing me a favor. And that is not what I stand for. I stand for integrity. I can't stoop so low to do this to you. I'm sorry.
What about Amaka? Are you giving up on her? Because all this happened because of your feelings for her.
I like Amaka very much. At the same time, I can't force her to like me. And I cannot hurt the people that she loves. Like I said, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Apology accepted. But please, I want you to stay away from us, please, okay? Please. I don't need all these dramas anymore, please. I beg you. Stay away from me and my baby, please. Okay?
It's okay. Both of you have a good time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. You know, I can't just shake off the pains that I saw in his eyes. I thought I was helping a brother, not knowing that I was hurting his feelings, and not just that, but the ones that he cares about. I just do not want to be part or source or rock to his pain.
You are overthinking this. I am sure your brother knows you have good intentions towards him. He understands you.
But do I understand him? Do I understand his actions? If I'm to be honest to myself here, then I think I'm the selfish person here because I always want him to want what I want. And to worsen it all, he have agreed not to accept his feelings and go for what he wants. And I'm not going to stand against his wills and desires.
I really feel for him. Honestly. I do. Can we tell him that we're getting married? Let's announce our wedding. Let's go ahead and get married. That will bring him joy. He will be very happy knowing that his twin is getting married. What do you think? It's a royal wedding. We have a royal wedding to plan.
Chama, in as much as I respect and appreciate your efforts, you do not marry for such flimsy reason, especially the marriage of a prince.
Amaka, I have come to warn you. I want you to stay away from the prince. You can go back to your wretched lover.
Forget about the prince. Don't even talk to him anymore.
You know, for this my life, I've seen confused people. But now you carry first. You are the most confused human being I have met all my life. 1 minute, you are an active matchmaker. The next minute, you are causing the biggest problem, trying to still scatter that relationship you're trying to put together. Who are you exactly?
Amaka, whatever you think about me, I don't care. I really do not care. I have gotten what I want, and I am fine. I am very close to the throne, and that's why I want you out. I want to watch you be a competitor.
And you think this whole thing you're doing is worth it? What is this you're doing with your friend? You know, people say that you guys are very, very close. In fact, the world should be sisters. But I don't think you're in that same boat.
I don't care. Whatever you think is not my business. It's not. I will not warn you again. Stay away from the prince.
Okay. Where you go? Because as I look you now to beat you, they won't bring me. And I don't get that power now. I don't get that time. Just they go.
Amaka, you won't talk to me like this.
Auntie.
Amaka, you will not speak to me
I
in that
warned you
manner.
for the last time.
You know why? Because I am very close to the throne and I will throw you out of this palace. This kitchen will become mine very soon. You know? Yes.
There you go. I will not want you again.
Brother, I know how lonely you feel. True love and commitment has always been your thing, and it saddens my heart that you are alone.
I'll be fine. The heart goes on loving, surely.
Chima, I assure you that I'm not considering marrying until you are ready. In fact, I promise to wed on that same day that you make a decision to choose a bride. That I promise.
What?
I'll do anything for you, brother.
Are you out of your mind?
Don't even go there. Nobody's going to make me change my mind, Chima.
You have Chioma. You should go ahead and marry her.
Wait, no, so your brother said we should go ahead and get married. That's what I'm doing. We have a wedding to do.
I just made a lifelong promise to my brother Chima that I will wait for him to be ready to settle before I can join him.
And he just gave you his go-ahead.
Listen, this is not about you, and I want you to respect my decision.
I will not, because it's about us.
Ogini. What is it? No, Ogini. Ogini. One Ogini. Get yo. Ogini. Ogini. Hey! Somebody help us! Hey! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! My prince. Greetings, my prince.
How is she doing? I came because I realized she didn't show up at the palace.
She's still where she is. She has not responded to any help nor any treatment. I don't know what else to do.
Should I invite the palace physicians to upgrade her medication? That might help.
You know Amaka is a special child. What is wrong with her is beyond what the eyes can see. I don't think any white man medicine will be able to fix it. I think it's all herbs. It's to find the right herbs that will treat her.
I am really worried. Is there anything I can do? I'm worried about her.
Your Highness, we're also worried about her too, okay? Not just you. And just like Mama said, white medicine cannot work, please. You don't have any business here. Allow us to solve this problem ourselves, please.
You are who are worried? No, you are who? Since you came here, did you tell me you were worried? Have you said anything about being worried? Eh? You are talking to the prince. Look at the prince. Even if you are blind, His Highness, his father the king, His Highness, look at his dressing. That should tell you that he's a prince. Yet you open your mouth to talk to him like that.
Mama,
is that how you are raised?
Mama, forget this dressing.
So you're this irresponsible.
Mama, this man is not a good man. Know what I'm saying, Mama?
No, you are the one
this man is not a good man.
No, you're the one that... Look at your checha trousers you wore to this place. You're the one that is good. Eh? He's a prince. Anyhow, anything, something will happen. Give one with your cap. What do you know you can do?
It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
Look at.
It's okay.
It's like now we are all worried. You know you're the worried. Did I invite you? Did I ask you to come? My prince, please, I am sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm not here to fight with you.
When you king, fight.
I'm here because I'm worried about Amaka.
Nobody's fighting you, okay? The English medicine will not work.
So you want her to die?
Mama, he does not have any business here, Mama.
Oh no! You want her to die?
Mama, you will not die. You are stressing yourself too much, Mama.
I'm going to keep on waiting for Namusu.
Mama, she will not die.
What are you doing here?
She will not die, Mama.
You want my child to die?
She will not die.
Because of...
Mommy, she will not die, please.
Hey! Oh, metwaka.
Nonso, I know how hard you fight for your brother. I know how much you love your brother. I know how much you have sacrificed for him. You have done every single thing for him, yet he will not appreciate it. Is it nice or can't you see?
What are you trying to say? Can you be more specific?
Okay, I mean, it's obvious your parents love your brother more than you. behave yourself. Respect yourself. You have to win their love. They want to make him the king. I mean, this is evident.
Wow. So this is about the throne. Are you trying to instigate me and my brother to go into war just because of the throne? Listen, what if my parents consider him a better son than I am? Are you still going to abandon me if I did not become the next king of this kingdom?
You will not twist my word. You're not going to do that, are you? Well, what I'm saying is just be good for all of us. That's what I'm saying. You're not going to twist my word.
Choma, what I hear from you is poison. And I'm just beginning to feel anxious around you. I don't know what plan that you have or what you're trying to do, but I need you to know that it's not going to work. And I seriously do not care who wears the crown.
You will not speak to me in that manner, would you?
That's the one. Is she going to be alright?
She's going to be fine. But the right question is, for how long? She is a special child that has been favored by the gods all these years. Her ties with nature has kept her long enough on earth, and that is why the herbs sustain her this long.
What are you trying to say? Isn't why because no. What are you saying? Just say it in a language I'll be able to understand. What are Solomon call you by? What are Solomon?
She's an Obanje, a child destined to come and go again, putting her parents through a tide of pains, but her bond with nature has kept her healthy, and the deities have favored her greatly. But her time is running out now.
What are we going to do?
Perhaps the deities are through with her. I wonder why they are withdrawing their support from her.
What are we going to do? Now help me. Help me. I cannot afford to lose my child. She's the only one I have. I don't have any other one again. Help me.
At this point, her life and days are determined by the gods. I will wake her from a deep sleep. A waking ritual must be done. We must hear the judgment from the gods.
This is the time for me to strike. I am going to cause problems between these two brothers. That is what I am going to do. And then also we have no reason to refuse the crown. Yes. Yes.
What you have just done.
What is it? It's
Can you imagine? You!
It's okay, let's go.
Are you okay?
No. No.
Did he touch you?
Yes. Yes.
He did?
Yes. Yes.
What are we going to do?
There's no easy way to say what I am about to say. Amaka, we do not have time to live. The clock is ticking as the deities in their benevolence have given you 3 years to live on earth. You must prepare and achieve all you have desired before you return.
I could do any sacrifice. I could do anything you ask me to sacrifice. Beg the ghost to give her deities. Let them give her more life. They should give her long life. I cannot afford to bury my only child.
She has been lucky to see adulthood and enjoy good health, thanks to the nature. But her time is up. She must make good use of the 3 years she has left on earth. Be strong and take heart.
Noso? What's the problem? Did I offend you?
Brother, I actually expect some level of remorse from you, but you decide to play amnesia.
What exactly are you talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. So you did not consider you making a pass on my woman as an offense. You practically tried to force yourself on her.
You have to slow down right now. A pass on your woman, me, Chima. How? Like, how did we get here? I can't do that. I remember being drunk last night, but I cannot lay a hand on your woman. Drunk or not.
In as much it's difficult for me to believe. I know you did it. I cannot unsay what I saw. I saw you trying to do it, brother. And you know the most annoying thing is you standing right here before me and trying to deny it. I will not forgive you. This is evil. You're a devil advocate.
No, so I did not do it.
You did it.
I did not do it.
How are you feeling?
I'm still very weak and burdened.
What bothers you?
According to the Ezinwai, my deep connection with nature and the deities would gives me inspiration to make good food and healthy drinks has been what kept me alive this whole years. According to her, I'm supposed to come and go and leave my mother in continuous pain.
You mean an Obanje? But you hardly fall sick.
Yes. That is because I have lived on herbs. And thanks to the benevolence of the deities, these herbs have kept me alive. But now I have just 3 years to live.
What? Are you dying?
In 3 years. Listen, I haven't been able to fulfill my dreams. My dreams of becoming your wife and having beautiful kids with you. But I'm begging you and asking that we should get this done. At least let me fulfill these dreams, bring my children to life before my time comes. Please.
Just wait, okay? Just wait. Wait. You are dumping so much on me. You can't just take this drastic decision without thinking about the negative side. You're telling me to get married to you when you know you're dying soon, and you even want us to have babies. This is the most selfish thing I've ever heard in my whole life.
Pure. Why are you saying something like this? Obira, we've waited for this all our lives. We've always wanted to end up together. So what difference does it make if I have just 3 years to live?
It makes all the difference. It makes all the difference. I'm the only son of my parents. And I want to live a normal life. I want to have kids. I want to live long with my partner. Telling me this is not even nice at all. You don't even think about the negative sides. I can see you're really desperate for this. You can as well go and have it somewhere else. I'm not really interested in this place. I really want to live a normal life.
Are you breaking up with me?
I don't even... Yes, I'm breaking up with you. I can't do this anymore. I can see you're very desperate. And I don't even feel this love anymore.
Obiora! Obiora!
She's one of a kind.
So, what is it? What is it? What do you want? You're no longer my brother. You see, I can sacrifice everything in this world for you, and you only think of coveting that which is mine. Does it even make any sense to you?
Brother, I did not do it.
Baby, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, I don't... You know, he's been looking for ways to talk to me all this while, but... I mean, he found an opportunity, but I refused.
Chama, what are you talking about? I found... Well, can you tell him the truth? Brother, I did not touch her. I did not do it. Can you believe that?
You are still lying. Apologize to him and he will accept. Just say you are sorry and that is it.
I did not touch you.
You did.
I did not do it.
You did it.
You have to believe me. I did not touch her. I did not assault. Come on.
You touched me. You touched me. You can't be lying.
Jima, one more light from you. I promise you, I will take off your one teeth out and I'll do it.
No, so I did not touch your woman. I cannot do it.
Just apologize. Just tell him you're sorry.
Choma.
My prince.
What is it, Ebe?
What do you want? You can see we are having a meeting.
I would like to show you something.
Please be
What
fast.
is it?
My prince, you have to calm down. Please see for yourself. Watch this video.
You can see something very important. You're coming here.
So we will know who will be coming.
When royalties are talking, you shut up. Take your phone and get out from me. I don't even know why you came here. Please go. I don't come close to royalties anymore. What is it?
Now you know.
When the devil had meeting with this gender, the only thing they were able to dispose was the meeting and the fruiting of the apple. I owe you an apology. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. I almost jeopardized the brotherly bond that we'll share. Our brotherly bond just because of this scheming woman. Please, I am sorry. I'm sorry, brother.
I told you I did not do it. You're my brother. I cannot do anything to hurt you. Hurting you is hurting myself. You're my brother.
And I'm sorry for not trusting you enough. Leave me alone! You Jezebel. You are lucky that you're a woman. And I am a prince trying to be reputable and honorable here. If not,
I would have reconstructed your face with some punches. How dare you try to come between two brothers? Have you lost it?
I wasn't trying to come between you and your brother. I just felt you have sacrificed a lot for him. I was just trying to just put a little distance so he can respect you. I did it because of you. I just want him to respect you, that's all.
You didn't do this because of me. You did that because of your quest for power and royalty. From the very beginning, I knew that you never loved me. It's all about the throne. But I want you to know that you have failed and you have lost everything.
I love you so much and you know this. And love forgives, right?
Yes. But I reserve that for an actual woman and not a scheming, manipulative monster like you. Be gone! Or I'll be forced to do something that we both will regret.
I'm not going to do this, I'm sorry.
Don't touch me! And I don't want to see you by the time I return.
I'm sorry. Hey!
Nonsense.
Father.
Chima, this is quite unbelievable. She just left like that, unannounced. Huh? But we performed all our royal duties to our guests, and that girl, you know, is a very ambitious girl that you would like to be with. You just don't know. All of a sudden, she disappeared into the thin air. Now, so what do you think happened? What happened?
All I can say is that my brother and I have come a long way. We are too bonded for a scheming, power-hungry woman or monster to come between us. But I am happy she's back to where she belongs. I'm hopeful and praying that the deity and gods of our land will help us find the right woman, a good woman, a woman with a pure heart, a woman who is willing and capable of loving us more than she loves the crown.
Are you telling me you've developed this magnitude? So this is the new improved you? King is happy.
Father, I've waited all my life to hear you say that. I am humbled and thank you, Your Majesty.
You see, brother, I did a good job training you. You should thank me too. I deserve a thank you.
You're looking for trouble here.
I deserve a thank you.
What is going on? Why are you crying?
All I wanted was all he promised me over the years. Spending our lives together and bringing in beautiful kids. But he rejected me because I'm dying.
You're dying. What does that even mean?
All I have left on earth is 3 years. To say goodbye to my loved ones. Fulfill my dreams. Do whatever it is I need to do. But he won't be part of it. He rejected me
Because I'm dying.
No. Don't say that. You're not going to die. Come here. It's okay. You're not going to die. I'll be here for you. I'm here with you. You're not going to die. I'll be by your side, I promise you. I promise you.
Why didn't you come?
No.
This is supposed to be...
No. This is for you.
Your Highness, what are you doing? Do you want to get me into trouble? Why will you be cooking for the cook?
Seeing what the cook has been going through,
I think you deserve rest. You deserve to be taken care of.
Okay. I know I was not in a good place yesterday, but I don't want you to get involved with this. Rather, I wouldn't want you to be bothered about me. This is my cross to bear, and I think I would have to carry it alone.
Not when I'm here. This is not your cross alone to carry. The power of death is not in your hands. Amaka, listen. If the gods decide that all you have is 3 years to live, then I want to be by your side. I want to make memories with you, beautiful ones.
You are not bothered that I am dying? Considering the fact that I did not even return your affection.
I'm not bothered. If anything, that draws me more to you. All I see is a woman committed to the people she loves and admires. And I like that about you. I want to be with you. I want to be by your side. Whatever you want, I will do it for you. Oh, okay, this is not the time to cry. This is the time to eat. Yes.
True love is tested in fire. True love, your heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire.
Yeah, test it and tell me what you think about it. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. What do you think? Don't lie to me. Don't give me that face. Come on.
Okay. Did you, by any means, ask Lot to be his wife? Because how on earth is the whole salt we have in this world, in this food?
My recipe is from the date.
Never leave your side, no matter what. It's true love, and I'll be holding your hands till the end. True love is sacrifice. True love is tested in fire. A heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire.
Mama, don't. Don't start. Why are you crying?
These are tears of joy. Can't you see everything going on? We're still happy. Yeah.
Well, Mama, that is because I have found a new bestie. A new friend. Mama, I don't even remember that anything is wrong with me anymore.
Aqua Prince. This woman is so funny. Do you know what she said? Aqua Prince. Well, of course I know he is. But he's been my biggest support system. I just want you to say thank you to him. Prince, thank you. Thank you so much for being her support system. Because mine wouldn't have gone anywhere if it were my only support system that is working for her. Thank you, my prince.
She's my happiness. And I find so much joy in her. She brightens my life.
Hey, Mama.
If having 3 years of uninterrupted joy with her is all I have, then I would like to make it a memorable one. That is why I've come to ask mother and daughter where you would like to go, so the fun can begin.
Hey! There are places she said she would want us to go. I want us to enter the vehicle and move, so that people will see us and know that we have something to do with the royal family. Hey, it's only moral, high class.
I'm here for it. Yes, let's start going.
Mama, let me go and quickly dress.
Okay, Mama, go and dress.
We'll be in the car.
Hey! The white.
Mama, no, my dress. You know, sometimes I feel like I'm being selfish towards you. I feel bad accepting your kindness, knowing full well that I had rejected you in the past.
The key word here is past. And remember, you were seeing someone at the time. And I was seeing someone too. And when you love people, you don't keep grudges. If for anything, that only showed me how loyal you are, and I admire that about you.
Chima, I'm dying in 3 years. Amanokbanji, doesn't this give you any cause for concern?
Maka, the only thing I'm scared and concerned about is not spending your last 3 years with you. It's not showing you how much I love and care and cherish you. That is the only thing I'm scared of.
Thank you very much. It's just a pity that the gods brought you into my life at my lowest and saddest point. You know, sometimes I just feel like I don't deserve you.
Amaka, you don't have to feel that way. If you look at it like that, then I don't deserve you too. You don't deserve me, I don't deserve you, we don't deserve each other, but we are here together right now. And what matters is that we utilize the time we have left. And that is what matters. Let's just let everything that have happened in the past and thank God for bringing us together. And just have fun, because I really do love you. And that is not about to change.
What is wrong, brother?
Why is your face like that now that you finally have the love of your life? I thought you said you love her so much. So why is this sad?
I feel sad because I wish I can add more years to her life. I've always thought 3 years is enough to make amazing memories. But every day I spend with her, it draws me close to asking the deities
for more years.
I feel your pain, brother. But I want you to know that the worries of tomorrow have its way of hindering the happiness and pleasure of today. I want you to focus on this moment. Do not let the thought of death ruin this time for you.
You know, I'm really excited you said that. I really need to focus on the happiness of today and not the worries of yesterday or tomorrow. It's just that I love her so much. I really do love her. And I want to spend the rest of my life with her. But knowing she have just 3 years to live, the thought of that alone breaks my heart. I want to create amazing memories with Amaka. You know, have children, raise them together. Share good memories together. How do I do that when she... Okay, again, like you said, focus on the happiness of today. Okay. I'm doing just that. I promise. And thank you for saying that.
Just take it easy. Amaka, she's a gem. A keeper. But then I want you to know that the gods give and they take at will. What can we do about it? Absolutely nothing. So my brother, take it easy.
You okay?
Yes. You said you wanted to see me.
Yes. I know you have your wishes. Why time is not on your side. I also have my wishes. I want to make you my wife. I want to make babies with you before you leave this life. I want us to make memories together. Beautiful memories while we still can. Please be my wife.
Are you serious?
You're standing in front of me and I'm holding this ring. How serious can I be? I've always wanted this. From the first day I set eyes on you, I've always prayed for this moment. I didn't wish for it to be like this, but I've always wanted to make you my wife.
You know, I really want to see the faces of my children. My children before I die. And yes,
I promise I'll be the best father. I will. And the best husband. Why at last?
I would want you to be my soulmate, my companion, and the crown over my head. So yes.
Congratulations.
My queen, are you aware that Amaka and Chima has been seeing each other? And they were smart enough to hide this from both of us. Too smart.
They hid it from me too. I didn't know that both of them were sneaking around this palace like lovebirds. Anyway, I already knew that Chima liked Amaka from the beginning. Yeah. Seeing the way he risked his tongue to drink that weird-looking juice she made.
Oh, no, mom. That was me being experimental. I mean...
And his eye twinkles each time he's staring at her.
Come on!
Anyways, you know that Amaka has always been treated and considered as a member of this family.
Yeah, right.
I even wished for a daughter-in-law like her, but the deities have already granted my request. So, without asking, you already have my blessings.
Same here, son. Same here. I had always wished that our gods would give my children a befitting, wonderful maidens from this kingdom that will be the future queen of my kingdom. That will gladden your king's heart. I can't wait for that day.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
Chima, I want you to know that I'm proud of you. Congratulations. I'm extremely proud of you. And I can't wait to have someone as beautiful and perfect as Amaka. And I hope I find one.
You will, my brother. You will. You will.
What are you trying to say?
No,
I want to make your mother and I to be
I'm
jealous. We've gone through that.
With your permission, Father, I would like to go first. Thank you.
Rush it immediately.
Go get
Motherfucker.
That's my bro.
You know me, I've been very busy with my fashion designer, trying to fix my best dress for the royal wedding of the decade. You know what? I cannot wait. Look at you. Everything I ask of the gods, they bestowed onto me. You are going to marry the prince and become the princess. Hey! It's no longer Igwe, it's Igwe Ogomo. Hey! Drama queen. That is truth. Imara. I'm not a family member. Now, why? Mama, you do.
Thank you very much, Mama, for entrusting your daughters to me. I promise to be the reason she smiles and not cry. I love her so much, and I will cherish her for life.
Nah, baraba. Carry wholesale. Everything I give you.
You know, sometimes I keep wondering why it took me so long. I keep asking why why I rejected him from the onset. But I later came to realize that the deities actually wanted me to go to the palace so I can be with my soulmate, the man who truly loves me.
Oh.
The man who makes me happy.
Gods of our land.
Thank you.
You know, everything happens for a reason. And I'm glad the gods brought us together.
Have you seen it now?
Mama, don't be over dramatic.
Go to the palace and walk. It is you can only find a husband where you work. You cannot be working in a shoemaker company and now go and find a husband where they're selling oil. No. Look for your husband inside that place you're working.
Oh, my papa, I remember you were a pharmacist, but you got married to a shoemaker.
What's because he was coming to the place to provide medicine.
How can there be someone like this? Blessed with longevity. The aura and light shine too bright. The sacrifices and sins, worship of your forefathers. Your Highness has carved a lifetime blessings and unlimited favor from the deities.
I'm glad to hear this, Ezenwai. But is there nothing that I can do to add more years to my fiance's life?
You were like this before, years ago. There were two stars in the dark sky. One that shines too bright, and the other so dull that begin to fade into the darkness. That almost became non-existent. The bright light moved closer to the dull star, and they joined as soulmates.
Ezenwai, please, this story you just told, is it in any way related to both of us?
Yes. Your Highness is the bright star, and you, Amaka, is the dull star that continues to struggle into the fading darkness. But the spiritual aura of His Highness, blessed with long, light longevity, kept you from fading into the dark symbolic of death.
What exactly are you saying, Ezenwai?
I no longer see the covering of death or the ticking time attached to Amaka. Yes. I see a bright light of longevity. Thanks to the prince's presence, the day you accepted to be his wife was the day the bright light of long life moved in your favor. You have been joined as soulmates.
Wait a minute, Ezenwai. Let me understand what you're saying. You mean I'm no longer dying? I won't die in 3 years. In 3 years to come?
I only see long life and good health. When you found love, you found longevity. Go and enjoy long and life and happy life from the deities, blessing and gifts. Congratulations, Amaka.
May the gods be praised. Thank you, Ivan. Thank you. Thank you, Ivan.
That can be classified as true love. As true love. The kind of of love that can swim the ocean to save it. The kind of love I call
Mama, I am no longer dying. I have been gifted longevity of life. Mama, nothing is happening to me anymore.
What happened? What did you give to them? Did you give them something at least to appease them and that warranted the mercy?
Mama, it's him. It's Chima. The love of my life. His aura of longevity was extended to me when I accepted to be his life partner.
Hey! Gods of our land, thank you. Thank you, I did not bury my child. I begged you people to spare her so that she'll be the one to bury me when the time comes, and not the other way around that you will oblige me. Onyekambo, I will come and offer sacrifices and thanksgiving. Hey!
Well, I hope you're not backing out at the royal wedding. Because you're not dying. I hope you're not backing out.
You didn't whine? Back where? I am fronting to the royal wedding. Why? My love. You mean everything to me. Or are you planning to leave me?
Come on.
Because I don't understand why you're asking that question.
No. I waited all my life for a day like this. When the woman that I love will be beside me.
Love. Original love that is genuine.
She's one of a kind, endowed by the gods, gifts to make him man no happy. Yeah, her recipes are one of a kind. She know the things that we make the belly happy. She's a wonderful woman, Amaka, oh Amaka, a special woman, Amaka, choice of every man, Amaka, wife material, Amaka, her intimidative nature, other girls they jealousy, Amaka, better talent from the girl, she carry a more, Amaka, she is one of a kind, a beautiful soul. She's so humble, a wife material,